Welcome back to another live stream. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. It's Friday. You know what that means? You know what that means? Well, one, it's quad witching. Two, this is like the most fun day of the week to trade options. High risk, high reward. I mean, we've had a couple of good Fridays. Last week was a crazy Affirm play. So we're going to be keeping our eyes on PayPal, Square, Affirm this morning. Micron. I mean, I have those overnight couple of calls at 82. They're not looking good. They're not looking like they're going to be great right now, but it's fine. I mean, they were already up a little bit. I'll probably get some money back off of them. Those were just for fun in case the market wanted to come back up. SPY does look like it wants to stay in this box range right here. If it ends up coming up and testing the top of this box again, which is right around 440, I think it's possible today. I mean, the S&P's down 1% right now. AMC's down 1.32%. GME off their earnings down 7.53%. But they did announce that they are going to be releasing, most likely, their NFT platform by the end of Q2. Hey, shorts, fuck off. That's what I have to say about that. Keep shorting it. And here's the other thing that I want to show you guys over here. Sorry, I'm feeling spicy this morning. UConn with that first round exit. Ouch. Yeah, well, see, guys, chill out. You know what you guys know what I'm gonna say here? You guys know, it's just sports. It's okay. We'll be all right. All right. So Ortex. Let's see what we got over here. So, interesting. So AMC. What do we got? Hoping my FedEx angle prints. For next week it might, but Big Dave, it didn't really move a whole lot. So for AMC right here on the Ortex update, yeah, we have a little bit of a decrease in the average cost to borrow, but there's only 5,800 shares that have been borrowed. Like, come on. The maximum is 2.32%. We're probably going to see it trend up a little bit more. Then when we come to GME, though, here's the interesting thing. This is what's interesting. What I saw the last time I looked at GME is average cost to borrow. Oh, my God. Look at this thing. Cost to borrow max on 78,000 shares. 16.16%. Oh, my. That is pretty wild. Like, that is wildness. 21.24% estimated short interest. Days to cover at 6.8. Like, everything's looking good in terms of the data. The thing about that data in terms of like the shares on loan, the cost to borrow, the days to cover, once it starts on this path, it, like, in my mind, it just starts to fuse. It's like, okay, it's only a matter of time now before these numbers get out of control. If they're going to keep trending, if they keep trending up, then it's only a matter of time before these things get out of control. You see a little bit of covering maybe, and then you see a massive spike in the share price. So, I mean, I have an idea of when we could see it, and I have a reason why, but it's not really helpful to anybody. If I just came out with like when do you can see it? I have nobody. My opinion, irrelevant. Let's see here. Morning, bro. Don't forget to hit the like, guys. Yeah, guys, make sure as you guys are filtered in, you're hitting that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's Friday. We're going to be having fun. Let's make you guys a little bit more money, and then we'll go hang out for the weekend. I'll get that 1348 video out for you guys this weekend as well. So, morning SUV. Got to fire up the smoker real quick. Wanted to jump into the stream. Fired up first. Hope everyone is doing well today. I'm doing pretty well. My strangle is for next week. I don't think I'll ever get a 1 day to expiration strangle. Okay, let me look at FedEx right now. Did you get like the 200, 255 one? Is that what you got? I mean, it's a dud right now. Like FedEx, I mean, yeah, it's down 2.84%. But it doesn't look like it doesn't really look like it's gonna really do much. Any bold predictions for today? Maintain. I mean, those bold predictions yesterday that I had were spot fucking on. So we'll see if we can do it again. Bold prediction on the SPY, sell off at open, rally into the end of the day. That's fine. Actually, I don't know. It's pre-market. Nobody knows. Pre-market's weird. I know Squirrel's gonna come in here and be screaming, bull trap, bull trap, bull trap. And it's like, okay, relax. Let Micron go a little bit. All right, so Micron's just bouncing off that 200 EMA over here. So let's see what we're going to get here, people. Okay, so if that's what you got, Dave, you're going to be down a little. You're going to be down this morning. Hell yeah, they were. My Dave, you make a little bit of money on that bold SPY prediction there, buddy? That was a good one. Don't do that all the time because I'm wrong. It's like 75-25 on my bold SPY predictions. I'm like 75% right on them. What's the play on PayPal? Nothing yet. I mean, I want to look at it just like Affirm, PayPal. They're big movers. Square, yeah, Affirm's down 2.72. Square's been moving a lot. Block, SQ has been moving. PayPal's been moving a lot. I know the EVs have been running. You know what the other thing I want to look at is ChargePoint. That just popped into my head. ChargePoint's been running. So we'll see about this. We got Amy over here. I mean, I would love AMC to just run today. If we can get a little bit of action over here, that'd be pretty sweet. I do have those 1550 calls. I would need a little bit of a pop here. But we'll see. I don't know. I'll probably ditch them at some point. No copy trading? Well, I didn't what do you call it? I didn't trade anything yesterday. Trey said we're getting very close to an AMC breakout. Dude, that's what I'm saying too. I don't know what he's using for that, but I was looking at cost to borrow, shares on loan, days to cover, and the trends that we've seen in the past. If he's doing, I mean, I would assume that he's doing the technical analysis too. In terms of technicals, for me, I'm just kind of using 1348 for it. We would need this 4-hour 1348 cross. Then we need some closing candles above this 200 EMA. So we really just need to get above this 200 EMA because we haven't been able to do this on the 4-hour chart. It's at 1785. That's not that far away. Then after we hit that, it goes to the daily. The daily's at 2569. That's a giant jump from where we are right now. But imagine that move that we would get. If we get a 1348 crossover on the daily chart, it's going to be boom boom season, I think. So watch it on the daily chart. That's when I'll probably start to buy more AMC calls. I did say that we maybe on the 1 day and the 4-hour. I'll look at both of these, but I was looking at more of like the reversion for this week. It did revert. It came back, but that Monday day kind of screwed me over a little bit, but it's fine. He used a magic 8-ball. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't think it's like next week or the week after that. But I think it's within 3 months. A run. I'm not sure how big the run's gonna be. I have no idea. But I think we're at that time where it's like we're due for a run, guys. We are due for a run. So we'll see. 1716 is boom boom on the yearly 200 EMA. All right, let's do it. So yeah, I think it's like I don't know. I don't know how big it's going to be. I don't know when it's exactly going to happen, and I don't know really what the catalyst is going to be for it. It might be GME announcing their NFT platform. It might be AMC doing something with crypto and the popcorn set. I don't know, but things are trending in the right direction right now, which is what I really like. We're down 19 cents in the pre-market over here. SPY's flickering around. You smoked your magic 8-ball? Okay. Oh, you're smoking crack too, Robert? There we go, I guess. A-Rack, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see. All righty, folks. I meant to send a message with that to check on Target. Oh, A-Rack. Yeah, I got you, buddy. Target, big red over. Whoa, Target. I don't know what's going on with this thing over here. You can't really see it, but it did come all the way down here. It's like very hard to see. See, you can see it now. That's kind of reckless. They're being a little bit reckless over here on Target. It's fucking Target. You guys, I see. These are the references that you guys just don't get because you're older than I am. You guys don't get any of the Tory Lanez references. All right, SPY's down about 1% over here. We got GME. I mean, this is a crazy move. After hours, it flashed all the way down to 75 from where was this? 88. Oh, then it comes back up and that gets knocked back down a little bit after the call and then just kind of settles down in here. Honestly, GME at 80.56. I think a lot of people are going to see that as a giant buying opportunity, especially with that NFT platform coming out. I just think they will. We'll see. I think GameStop could be getting into like the NFT gaming space. Like they could do a lot of things over here. I think that's the long game on GameStop, but who knows? Lazy, thank you so much for the super. SCV should start a crackback crypto. I mean, dude, we were talking about this the other day. I'm pretty sure that, like, if we're thinking about it, like crack is probably going to outpace the dollar in terms of like beating inflation. But like, don't buy a bunch of crack. UConn men's team let you down last night. I mean, let's see. When do the girls play? I don't know. I go here and I have no idea. You know why? Because I hang out with you guys all the time. All right, SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. AME, I mean, it got that 1348 cross, needs to get above that 200 EMA. Bullish on crack coin. Am I related to Trevor Wallace? Who's Trevor Wallace? So probably not, but IWM short interest, cost to borrow, and SPY has no more gaps to fill per tray. Only way SPY goes down if there is bad war news. If IWM squeezes, it'll take AMC with it, and SPY will go up as well. Yeah. Okay. Do you guys want to see an example of IWM squeezing? It's pretty interesting. Let's pull up IWM over here really quick. So IWM, I remember this because I was in Florida on vacation when I was looking at this here. Let me pull up the daily. That's easier. So this, I'm thinking, where is it? It's not this. Where is it? This. Well, this isn't squeezy, but this range right here, this little V that we see in IWM is when IWM's short interest was at 52%. So it comes all the way down here to 207. It breaks its way all the way back up to 228. That's a big move for IWM. But what happened with AMC? Whoa, Amy candle, Amy boom boom candle. There you go. There you go. Come on, people. So this is less of an example than I thought it was. But IWM's short interest around this time is about 52%. Then it starts to run, and we get that Santa rally a little bit. Now, if we go back to AMC on the daily chart, what happened around that time for Amy? Where is it? Is it this? Yeah, it's this right here. So we come all the way back down to 2080, and then we rip all the way to 32. A 50% move. What's IWM's short interest right now? Oh, Jesus. So IWM short interest is 38.6%. That's high. Cost to borrow is not really that high. The utilization is not really, I mean, it's not gonna like because everybody that like thinks of squeeze, they're like Moax. It's not like that. Like you're just gonna see extra buying pressure in these. It's more of like a baby gamma when you think about like if you were to think about like how it actually would move and how it would look more like a little bit of a gamma in IWM than it would a short squeeze. Just because there's so many shares, there's so much money floating around in it. Like this is big. TLT is getting shorted into oblivion right now. Like if we look at this over here. Like TLT going down would typically mean TLT short interest came down a little bit. That was at 40% at one point. Now it's at 19.49. SPY's short interest, I think, is at like 15% or something. Might be even higher at around 20. 18.6. That's pretty high, man. I mean, these these ETFs have some pretty high short interest over here. Let me get these charts back up. But yeah, and then when you look at AMC's and GME's data with the cost to borrow, what's going on with all of these like you guys see if you guys were paying attention for the video last night, there was some interesting stuff in there. How that failures to delivers on treasuries and mortgage-backed securities, the fee for failing is going up, but they cited rate hikes. So when rates go up, mortgage rates go up, home equity lines of credit, which are technically like variable because they move automatically. Those go up. You pay more on those. Credit cards go up. The next time that they come out with the student loan interest rate, because it's like, I think it's pegged to the 10-year treasury, that will go up. So all of these different lending rates are going up. Now, a lot of these banks are the ones doing that. So a lot of these banks are the ones that are kind of like loaning out a lot of this money. The federal funds rate is not directly affecting consumers, but the effect it has on like the 10-year treasury and a lot of the stuff that the 10-year treasury is used for is going to affect consumers. That's why rate hikes are important. But when you think about cost to borrow in securities lending, it should go up. That's the thing. It would make sense for it to go up across the board on a wide variety of stocks. Because think about this here. If the market is priced in at like rate hikes and we start to get less war news, well, one, there's not really a reason to short the market now, because if they're going to combat inflation, the supply chain issues might start to, I mean, not because of inflation, but like supply chain issues might start to figure themselves out by the end of this year and next year. Then you have inflation starting to come down a little bit. Yeah, we're going to have higher rates. You're going to see maybe people filter into banks and stuff like that. But like at the end of the day, people are still going to want growth because there's so much money on the sidelines right now that they're going to need to put it somewhere. It would make more sense to disincentivize shorting. And the way to do that would be increases in cost to borrow. And I think it would move anyway. But typically the thing that is like messing with everybody who's thinking about this, the cost to borrow and shortage and rate hikes is that the cost to borrow is based off really supply and demand. Like mortgage rates like aren't really based on sort of like on supply and demand. Like bond yields, yes, are based off supply and demand. More people want bonds, bond yields go down. Less people want bonds, the bond yields go up to entice people to go into more bonds. So it's this weird circulation of like, okay, is it going to go up? It should, but maybe it doesn't because of but it looks like it should. Let's see here. Guys, as you're filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see here. Oh, we could be doing a little better. Let's see. It is a Friday. We want more people looking at these AMC and GME situations. So let's get this info out to some more people, guys. Let's do this. Zip Trader beat Mullen up last night. I mean, I think it's possible to be good over the long term. Down 6% right now. Got 228. What's up? How you doing? Mullen needs to stop it. Bad Mullen, go back up. There we go. I wonder if they can borrow over 100% of the float. They can. Remember, GameStop short interest was 140%. I think some sources were listing it at over 200%. So let's see here. What do we have here? What's Max paying? 16 still? We playing Oxy today? Oil's kind of flat right now, so I wouldn't touch it yet. So I'm more looking at what the hell is the SPY gonna do? SPY looks like it wants to get a 1348 cross right here, coming back to the upside. Amy's looking all right. Jimmy's getting some fear candles over here. Where's Micron and Affirm and PayPal? Micron trying here, but not doing a whole lot. PayPal down, but coming up. Affirm down, but trying to come up. Square down, but try. Whoa, 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 whoa. S&P 500. What the shit are you doing? Hold on. Dude, I hate these glitches. It just flashed into the green or into flat. What is this? SPY. SPY. SPY, what are you doing? Nothing else is moving. Like, what the? It's got to be a glitch candle. That's IWM. Fuck. That is IWM. Did SPY do it? Sort of. SPY is looking for a 1340. Sorry, that is IWM. But that was kind of crazy. What the? All right, glitch candle. Darn. You're right. That was IWM. So this is SPY over here. Still trying to get that 1348 cross. Square's coming up, but I mean, a lot of these are starting to come up. So I'm really looking at Square, PayPal, Affirm in the morning. Charge Point, maybe, because Charge Point's been a little spicy. It's trying to come up here a little bit. Oh, thank goodness. Dude, that's IWM. I know. Quad U, what's up with Quad U? Is it selling? It's up a little bit again. Oh, thank goodness. Habita, you got some puts over there that you want to tell us about? You got some puts over there you trying to get to print? What's up, you people? Come on, people, hit the like button. Let's have a good day, says Mike Lewis. Appreciate that, buddy. Max Payne today. Let me take a look. Dude, I feel energized today. This is weird. This is so strange. So strange. 16 is Max Payne. SPY glitched out to the top of the box. I saw that. That was wild. Amy down 15 cents. Jimmy, nice little candle over here to the upside. Let's see. I don't know. What are you guys looking at this morning? I told you guys what I'm looking at. What are you guys looking at? I'm looking at like Micron, the chip makers, and like the payment processors, essentially. Quad witching energy. Yeah, check Oxy. Okay, fine. Oxy is only down. It's pretty much flat in the pre-market over here. I'm Batman. What's up, Luigi? How you doing, buddy? Can I look at Prague? They need news. They need their news. Prague, flat. Full Moon Friday. It's also quadruple witching. All right, let's see. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm going to look it up and see which ones it is. So it's stock. So it's stock index futures, stock index options, single stock options, and single stock futures expire simultaneously. Those are the four on quad witching. I always forget which 4 they are. You have 20 grand on UVXY at 17. You bought shares or you bought puts, you bought calls. What do you got? Yeah, so quad witching is essentially just a day where a lot of contracts, futures, options are expiring. SPY's coming back down a little here. Oh, hold on. I'm getting some news at the time of this. Feds Waller, I really favor front loading our hikes. Oh, stop. Stop, Waller. Nobody cares what you think. Data suggesting we move in the direction of a 50 basis point hike at the coming meetings. Stop. Can't you just let me have a fun Friday over here? Had a lot of luck with DraftKings this week. Might try them again today. Just crossed on the 5. Yeah, DraftKings is another. DraftKings and Uber. Keep those on your radar. Yeah, DraftKings trying to come up. Uber. If it's Friday, I'll probably be going with smaller trades. Hold them for a little bit more. SPY is coming down. I want to be able to take if I want to take a bunch of trades, I'm going to take a bunch of trades. So I don't know. SPY's coming down out of the box here. Amy coming back down. Jimmy getting some sell candles. Let's see. We got 9 minutes until half out. So we got 39 minutes until market opens. Quad witching causes upside or down. It doesn't really. It just can cause a little bit of volatility. So what happens is think about like hedging. This is how you got to think about it. So if all of these contracts are going to expire, think about how much money is in these contracts. Then think about, since these contracts are all technically levered and they control more of an underlying asset, whoever is selling these contracts needs to hedge. So if people are going to be selling off of those contracts, rebuying at a further out expiration, they're going to be buying it from somebody, typically a market maker or a large banking institution. And those large banking institutions are going to need to hedge that position. Now, what is their hedge? Well, if those banking institutions are selling puts, well, they need to enter into a short position. If they are selling a bunch of calls or bullish positions, then they're going to need to enter into long positions in order to hedge what they're selling. So that's where the volatility could come in, but you never know. We've seen lots of dud days on quad witching in the past, and we saw a giant OPEX day, options expiration day, in January. Nothing really happened. Last year when I was new, Mo Money had me excited about quad wedging. Never again will I care. Yeah, it's like not that big of a deal. Added 920 to my charts for potential early entries. Yeah, so Luigi, on my trading view chart, that's where I have my 920. What are you doing? Steps by. Okay, cool STV. Everyone hit the like. Beast, I appreciate that, buddy. All right, let's see what we got over here. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, I think honestly, this could be a wait and see type of day. I might give the SPY like 15 minutes to really see. But here's the deal. Most likely what's going to happen. This is every single day I see this. I'm like, oh, let's just give it a few minutes. There's going to be something that's going to start to make a giant move at market open. And I'm going to want to get in on it. That's just, it happens every time. It's a Friday. I'll play it a little bit smaller for fun, but like Fridays can go crazy. Like I'll literally probably just do like $100 trades today. Just throw them out 100, and just go with it that way, because Fridays are the day that you can see like 2, 3, 4, 500% moves. And if you can get your hands on a couple of them, like it could be decent. So it needs to be a volatile day though. It's quad witching. They might not do anything with it. It could be a dud of a day, which is fine. Oil up. Yeah. Oil not. WTI came back up a little bit. It's up 0.37%. WTI crude, what I have right now, it could be slightly off. WTI is at 103.34. Brent is at 106.56. AMD dumping. Yeah. Dude, I feel really randomly like zoned in today. This is weird. Watch us just go on an absolute tear. Just fucking run the chains today on everybody. Oh, that would be dirty. Micron took a little hit in aftermarket. What are your thoughts? That's not going to be fun. Like, I want my Microns. I want those Microns to do good, but I don't know. If it was a little tiny YOLO. SPY calls today? Ooh, I don't know. Do I buy options at the money or 1 or 2 strikes out, which is more profitable? Well, 1 or 2 strikes out is more profitable if they run in the money in terms of percentages. You're putting the same amount of money into the trade. Let's see. Let's see if Amy can have a good day today, too. I think if there's any news that comes up for Biden, Chi talk this morning, it could drive oil up or down, right? And it's also going to drive the market. I think Biden is going to come out and be positive about that talk, no matter what happens. Why would he say negative things? He'd be like, "Oh, we had a really good conversation," and I think that's what it's going to be. SPY 442 today. That would be dirty. That would be absolutely dirty. That's a $6 move from about where we're at right now. Amy's only down 18 cents. One candle, green on Amy. Like that's just how it could move over here. So the pre-market volume on AMC is very low. On Webull, it's 80,000. So that's probably around 200,000 overall. GME's volume is about 50,000. So just to put that into perspective over here, like that is not normal. Burke A is at 518,000. Oh, you gonna buy some JG? Uranium sanctions being voted on. Damn. So I probably should have gotten a little bit more time on those quad U's. Yeah. So those April. Remember, everybody was going for the April 20s. Maybe that was the move. UVXY calls in the money now. Yeah, boy. Well, wait till market open. They probably will be. You'll probably do all right at market open. Because SPY probably is at market open. It's probably going to open a little flat, get a couple of green candles, then come back down. If it's going to open over here, test the lower end of this box, and then decide what it wants to do. So let's see. You bet he falls asleep? I don't know about that. Let's see here. So Amy hovering right around that 200 EMA over here. Why is the volume so low on AMC and GME? For GME, it's a little bit higher than usual. Well, but they did just have earnings. For AMC, I mean, volume's been a lot lower. Days to cover, though, is going to start. What's the days to cover on AMC now? Did it crack 3? It could be close to cracking 3 soon. What's the estimated short? Okay, so 109. Holy shares on loan. There it goes. There it goes. 135 million. That went from 129 to 135 this week. Or 127, I think, to 135 this week. That's a lot. I think the highest that we've seen. So this shares on loan number before June was 150. I think it went from 158 million was the high, then 152, but we can pull it up really quickly. On loan, what is this? 155 million is where the shares on loan were. So we still have a little bit of ways to go. But I mean, it's coming up, man. Green candles coming in all over the place all of a sudden. Jeremy, I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. Love seeing STV's sexy knee. All right, KM. Which means more shorting? Yes. But that's the thing. Like with this, they are going to short it more. So it just depends on if the buyers are going to be able to counteract the shorts. Like, yeah, they could short it as much as they want. Like literally they could short infinity shares. But if the buyers are willing to come in at that price and also buy infinity shares, it doesn't matter what they do. So it all comes down to, are the buyers willing to come in and basically say, nope, can't push it down. Cost borrowed down again? Well, yeah, but there's only 5,800 shares borrowed today. So we'd have to wait until a lot more shares go out on loan. So it can come up. The max is high. Can I break down quad witching? Yeah, I feel like that's going to be a question a lot today. Quad witching is just a day where 4 big types of derivative contracts are expiring. That's all it is. So it can lead to a little bit more volatility, but typically what we've seen, nothing really happens. Maybe towards the end of the day, you see a couple of moves coming in and out, but you shouldn't really see anything wild. Watching for the Oxy and Micron crosses at open. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Get the stream out to some more people because we've been having some weird YouTube issues recently. They've been messing with us over here. They've been messing with the squirrel gang. Let's see. What's stopping them from shorting it to 0? Why wouldn't they have done that? Why didn't they do it when the stock was at 2 or 5 or 10 or 12? Like, why didn't they already do it? I don't think they can do that. Let's see. Bing bong. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. SV, can you check gato on Ortex? Cat in Spanish? Yes. But silver. Interesting. So this is 8.5% shorted, 0.91% average cost to borrow, 29% utilization. Let's see. SPY bouncing off the box here. I don't know, man. Today's going to be interesting. I mean, I'm looking at Affirm, maybe Neo, ChargePoint, Square, PayPal, Micron. What was the other one that we were looking at? Maybe even Walmart. Like, there's a lot of crazy things. Let's see. Working Apes got paid. So let's see some buying pressure today. Matt Harper. There we go. Are you going to hit a firm for the third Friday in a row? I don't think we did. I think this is going to be this. For me, it'll be I think it's only the second Friday in a row. But a firm is fun on Fridays. A firm is very fun on Fridays. Who we burning? The market maker with our options purchases, because then they're going to have to pay us. How high was cost to borrow when AMC ran up in June last year? I think what we were looking at on Ortex was like 20%, 10%, something like that. But it can move quick. It can just start to go. It just goes boom, right up, cost to borrow. Let's see. All right. Spy's just hanging out at the lower end of this box over here. And Amy's just holding at the 25, down 22 cents. Jimmy's selling here. Why, bro? Why? I might just buy some more GME tonight. Like, this is silly. This is silly, dude. AMC Max Pain is up to 1650. I've got it at 16 for this week on Swaggy Stocks. That's where I've got it. 16. Is GME going to tank or bounce back today? Yes. Let's see. CCJ uranium play with decent options pricing. Yeah, I liked Quad U. That's a good one. It's just stocks that are that low price. Since options are really based on a $1 move in the underlying, when the prices get lower, there's only so in the IV goes up and the expected moves of these stocks go up. It just doesn't make a whole lot of it. Like, the deltas are lower and the IV is higher, so you don't really get that big of a boost. Kramer tweet about the apes. He needs to keep our name out of his mouth. Jimmy chill. He's not chill. Wants to ask the apes, what's your mommy bringing down to the basement for lunch? Maybe a peanut butter and jelly, grilled cheese in honor of that great GameStop quarter. Jim. First of all, I've only had like a couple of PB&Js in my entire life, so shut your mouth. Plus, never mind. I don't want to be an asshole. He's such a shithead. Let's see. Joe Bolton, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Every time I send a super, I print. Thanks, SCB. Honest question. What are your favorite stocks and ETFs for a retirement portfolio? I like AMD. And then literally ETFs, SPY, VU, like, I mean, you could play Gush. You could do I think Soxel is the semiconductor 3X bull. It's not bad. I do have a boatload of AMD. Hey, Jim, your mommy can bring me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich to the basement. All right, let's see. What up, Vix? Saw you at the self-serve car wash last night with that G-Wagon. One, I have not gotten my car washed yet. Two, I don't have a G-Wagon. So, wasn't me, pal. All right, people. Let's see what we're going to get over here, bro. Try peanut butter with honey and you'll eat PB. No, I like them. I just never had them. They're like good though. Like, they're really good. Because I was always like, I don't really like jelly. Then I had like a jelly donut one time because I tried it and I was like, whoa, this is electric. Kramer has never contributed a thing to society. He's a taker like most of the paper, but yeah, he is a taker. Just like the market makers, we provide liquidity. No, bro, you just take it. Let's see. How's the new whip? Really cool. It's the most cool at night because it's dark and it lights up on the inside. Did we talk about quad witching yet? Yeah, like 7 times. Peanut butter and honey is amazing. Dude, I might have to try it then. I might have to try it. Amy Lil Pop. Let's see. Kramer's wife is gonna make me a PB and J after my eyes. Let's see. Guys, I'm gonna run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello. How we doing? All right, everybody. Welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. I don't want to hear it. I know what you're gonna say. I don't want to hear it. Let's see. When did you get that racing chair? Did you take that out of your car? No, that was a what do you call it? This is just the silly gaming chair that I bought from Staples like in July. Are you okay? I'll be fine. Crack is whack. That's true, man. All right, guys. Make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Tim, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Tim, thank you, buddy. Stop. 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 All right, people. Let's see what we're gonna get today. We're gonna have some fun. Where's my thingy? Here it is. Wait, we aren't done. Yes, you are done. You no more. Spy's coming down to the lower end of the box over here. Let's see what we're gonna get. Bro, you can't rush it. I have to come back to the stream though, dude. That's what happens. PB and fluff. All right, you guys want to know what the best snack ever is? It sounds weird. If you put fluff on Ritz crackers, it's like the best thing of all time. I used to do that. That is, whoo, that stuff is good. My mom would look at me like, what the hell is wrong with you? I'm like, don't. It's good. Brian, we know, bro. Brian, we understand. Spy prediction, you got 440 last night, few seconds. Sweating. We're going to need to see a little bit of a run. It's down 0.72. It's down at the lower end of this range. We got about 19 minutes until open. Let's see. Nutella on Ritz. That's probably pretty good too. Affirm is trying to make a little bit of a move here. Let's see, guys. Popcorn and hot sauce. See, that doesn't sound like it's for me. All right, here. Spy trying to bounce off the lower end of this range. Amy just kind of hanging out over here. Let's do a quick Ortex update on everything. Let's see if Amy got any more shares on loan, jacking up the cost to borrow a little bit more. Let's see. Nope, still 5,800 borrowed shares. Nothing too crazy going on over here. Jimmy, what do we got? What do we got on Jimmy? Let's see. 101,000 borrowed shares. 7.43% average cost to borrow. Minimum 4.72. The fucking max is 16, dude. Shares are going out on loan against GME at 16%. That's crazy. Get Gabe on today. The world needs his honesty. You guys want to do that going into the end of the day? We can get Gabe on in the afternoon. I'll tell him the people are requesting him. My belly's rumbling. Let's see. Data check that. Ate peanut butter with pancake syrup. Nasty. That does sound good, though. Like, you can't lie. Peanut butter and syrup does sound pretty good. Affirms had some kind of lawsuit news this morning. Too long I didn't read. Ooh. Oops, short interest in it. I don't see anything on the Weeble news feed, but we'll see. Overslept. Squirrel, what's up, man? How you doing? Everybody's oversleeping today. DraftKings is down pre. Yeah. About 1.5%. A lot of things are doing the same move over here. So let's see what happens with the market today. Jeffrey, that's not how it works. Let's see. What was that ETF? Soxl. SOXL. I think that's the semiconductor bull. Then there's SOXS, which is, I think, the semiconductor bear. Drafting is down. But it just said that 1340 across on the 15 looks good for the. Yeah, that could be good. When you're day trading a call or put option, what contracts are you choosing for 1348? It depends. I mean, it's usually just at like the first strike out of the money, especially on Fridays. It's usually like first or second strike. Looking for those market open doom candles, Martin. We could be getting those. We could be getting some of those, man. It's very, very possible. Guys, we got 16 minutes. It's going to be a crazy day. I think the SPY is going to do something wild just because it's in this box range and we haven't really seen it this high in a little while, like a week or two. But we'll see. We got to see how the big buyers are willing to react around these prices here and what they're willing to buy and sell at. If they're not willing to buy at these prices up here and they still want more discounts and they don't see it coming up to 450, 460, then there's no reason for them to buy this right now. At 415 and 420, yeah, there's reason for 425. There's reasons for them to buy because we've seen it shoot back up to 440. Right now, though, we got to see if the buyers are going to be willing to step back up to try to start SPY going back to that all-time high spot. I know Squirrel's going to come in here and be yelling bear trap, bull trap, but it's possible. CRTX, Matt Stuck Suspenders. Matt Stuck Suspenders, good to see you back in here, buddy. Welcome. Let's see. CRTX. This thing doesn't really have a cotexime, doesn't really have anything going on. Well, this thing's just been on a moon mission for a few days. It's up like 50%. That's pretty solid. All right, Amy selling off here a little bit. Spy is just at the lower end of the box here. Jimmy's down about 9%. Let's see if the buyers are going to step back in on that thing. Doom. TLT recovered. Yeah, Blue Valley candles. Oh, God. I had this thing called an Irish breakfast shot yesterday. It was fucking amazing, and it had bacon. Oh, that sounds good. Hit the like button, says Richard. Yeah, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Cost you nothing to do it, but it helps me out a whole lot. So let's see here. We want to get this AMC, like the news out and the analysis on, and basically get the word out about AMC and GME to as many people as we can, to just have people learn about what's going on with our market. So if you guys don't mind just hitting that like button, let's see here. I'm always here. I just keep it hushed. What's up, buddy? So that was the first comment on Matt's video yesterday. My comment, short the VIX. It was pinned. You're welcome. He pinned it. That's funny. I was short the VIX yesterday. It was fun. How's X doing? Hopefully really shitty. Yeah, down 3% in the pre-market. Ha. That's what I thought, Steel. All right, Amy's now down about 1.65. Micron probably selling as well. Yeah, Micron. I mean, it's holding at this 200 EMA over here. Disca coming close to crossing down. Ooh, yeah. Disca, Para, those could be nice today. Whoa, little bit of volatilidad over here. Para. Yeah, I do like Para usually, so we'll see what happens with these. You hit it twice, Michael Burry's glass eye. I appreciate that, buddy. All righty, folks. So we got about 13 minutes until market open. Things are heating up over here. The market's looking a little bit shaky coming into open over here. Amy, little green candle. Doesn't count. You are STV every day. Okay, that's fair. What's my Instagram? It is short the VIX 1, Richard. So you guys want to follow me over there, you can. I was following a lot of people back yesterday. I'll try to follow all you guys back if you guys do want to follow me over there today. I'm new here. I'm here to talk about your car's new extended warranty. It doesn't have an extended warranty. It's all warranty. Uber could cross up at market open. That would be sexy. I do like Uber. We haven't traded a lot of Uber recently, but we have in the past, and it likes to be a little runner sometimes. GME has 0 shares to borrow as of this morning, maybe on Stonko Tracker, and it's below 80. Good time to jump in or stick to AMC. You can do whatever you want. I mean, I think GME has equally as, I mean, they're both good squeeze plays. Both very good squeeze plays. Amy getting some buyers over here. Let's see. These could just be fake volatile candles, though. I followed you like a month or two ago. Do you use Instagram at all? I'm trying to use it more, Bjorn. I'm trying to use it a little more. I promise I will never ask again, but would it be at all possible to see the ticker HGen Ortex data? Yes. I gotcha. 11.75%, 1.38% average cost to borrow, 40% utilization. Let's get this dirty work today. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah, today will be fun. Today will be a fun day. It's the quad witching. The witches are coming. Yahoo Finance site down? Ooh, I don't know. Mullen crime candles? Oh, boy. Short exempt day on this thing? Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, boy. Down 9%. Uh-oh. AMC's getting ready. I think it's getting ready. Added you on Insta. Thank you, GL. I appreciate that, buddy. Just a heads up, you aren't showing up anywhere. I had to search for you. God, YouTube, bro. Guys, make sure you engage with the content. That's why we're saying it. Hit that like button on the stream. Like, YouTube is just jerking with us. Justin, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, with all the data that we're looking at on Amy over here, it is looking pretty good for the next couple of months. That's just what I see on it. Denial, dude, thank you so much for these generous supers, buddy. I really appreciate that. Happy birthday, STV. Denial, Thank you. It's not my birthday, but I really, really appreciate it. Let's see. Getting your broomstick ready to fly around the house? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You're the first suggested vid for me? Oh, okay. So maybe YouTube's not playing around that much. But still, help out with the engagement, people. Let's see. Happy birthday. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. IMPP. Isn't that an oil play? IMPP spiking here. Oil's not moving. What the hell's going on with this thing? I was really hoping for 433 this morning. Squirrel, I was really hoping for like 445 this morning. But, you know, I guess we're both getting slapped. Look at the last 1 minute candle on a firm. I mean, we'll probably see it reflected on the 5. Yeah, well, yeah, this is craziness. You took a while. So proud of you, Vix. You washed your hands. I always wash my hands. Good morning, Vix. Good morning, you people. Good morning, Jackstat. How you doing? All right, a firm's getting a little jumpy over here. So you see this? You see this right here? This might be a little Affirm day. Another one. I don't know. I don't know. It's crossing. Where's PayPal and Square? Nothing. SQ? Nothing. All right, Amy's coming down. And Affirm just looks like it wants to be jumpy. I like it. All right, let's see. If Affirm can really start to head up here, that would be sexy. Happy Friday, all. Kevin, I appreciate that, buddy. All right, folks. 8 minutes until market open. Affirm is starting to come up. It's going to be a fun time. So remember, call out the crosses and any runners today. If things... Thanks, Rance. Anybody that sees a runner, not on like a penny stock, like try to not do that because I'm not going to trade it. But anything like there are DraftKings and Uber and app, something starts to run, let me know. Not going to trade Netflix though. Fuck that. Vic's low-key fruity sometimes. Well, that's not very nice of you to say. That's not a very nice comment over there, sort of Buffett. Let's see. Just signed up for premium. How do the alerts work? You'll get them directly sent to your phone if you have notifications turned on for Discord. So you can go in there and you can look. And you can see I'm looking at it right now. So you've got 9:20 on the SPY, 3-minute SPY, 3-minute market, 4-hour alerts, 30-minute alerts, 15-minute crypto, and then the daily crossover as well. We still love you, Biggs. Don't worry. It's fine, I guess. It's just weird. Like, it's hurtful, I guess. Not being very nice. Got my fingers crossed for some buying pressure on Amy today. A lot of puts out of the money at 15. Yeah. Angelina says, I'm a cute fruity. Thank you, Angelina. Appreciate it. Let's see. AMC Max paying 16.50. Where are you guys getting that from? I've got it at 16, right? Or 16 right here. So Affirm puts? I don't know. No, because Affirm is just moon. It's gonna be some volatility dot over here, but I mean Affirm is just, I don't know. Affirm is fun to trade. It's just fun. Saw the whip on IG. Sweet ride. Thank you, Jacksat. I appreciate that. Please say hello to Michael Martin. We're on a road trip and listening. Michael, how you doing, pal? Affirm calls are tempting me. Dude, they're very tempting over here. Very, very, very tempting. All right, people. 6 minutes until open. Come on, Amy. I want you ripping today. I know you don't like Baba, but it's looking to cross up. It is looking to cross up. Watch the pre-market high, though. Where is that? 101.08. It's not that far away. Yeah, I'm looking at the firm calls too. Don't call me pal, buddy. Amy needs a clean crack above this 200 EMA. Spy pop. Oh, ho, ho. Last 5-minute candle. Here we go. Baba crossing right now. Affirm is getting a little cross right here as well. Guys, call out the crosses today. It's Friday. A lot of money to be made on Fridays. Oh, yeah? When are you coming out with the stock trading Discord? Joe, we already have it, buddy. We've been talking about it a lot. How many stocks will be alerted? 350 stocks on all those different time frames. 3-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. No, 4 hour. I think 4 hour, and then daily. Looking at the para cross. Is it crossing? Oh, para can get spicy on us. Oops, that's wrong. Well, yeah, it is. It is about the cross. So para could be good today. Spy Micron. Hey, that's how rude of you, Micron. Spy's coming up here, and you're just gonna get spit on. Amy, fear candles over here. Are we expecting anyone to speak today? Well, Biden and Xi are talking right now, so we're probably gonna get some updates on that. Other than that, I mean, we could get some Russia stuff. I mean, let's see. Ukraine president says he has doubt Ukraine will become a full member of the European Union. Spy flickering. We got 4 minutes to go here, people. Here we go. Make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps get some more people in here ahead of market open. It's going to be a crazy day today. We got Amy, some fear candles over here. Jimmy, this is just, I mean, it's down 10% right now, which is utter nonsense. But let's see. What are the plays today? Well, I mean, I'm looking at Affirm, the chip makers, Para, ChargePoint. Like, ChargePoint's been a crazy one recently. ChargePoint! Oh, ChargePoint does look spicy today. I thought you don't care about the crosses in the pre-market. I typically don't, no. But I do care about runners. I mean, they're crossing. When they cross, like, right at market open, it's like, Affirm, did it do it? Affirm just crossed? I know, man. I know. I want it. I'm going to wait, though. Okay. Everybody, we have 3 minutes until market open. I do not want to see people willy-nilly just buying shit. Don't do that. Just wait. The market needs to pick its direction here. It could be Affirm puts today. It honestly could. You just have to wait and see what the SPY's going to do. The SPY right now is trying to come up a little bit. If it starts to make its way up to this upper end of this box over here, cool. All right. Okay. Affirm looks good. Sort of Buffett, thanks to the super buddy for calling you fruity. Appreciate it. Okay, Affirm does look spicy right here. Fucking YOLO. All right, Affirm does look really good. So, SPY's coming up here. What about SQ and PayPal? Square pop, PayPal. All right, so the PayPal, Square, Affirm, watch those. Everything's starting to run a little bit ahead of market open. This could be a fake out, though. Be careful. Look at Apple. What do we got? Dude, everything's just getting candles over here. Not Amy, because it's the ugly duckling, I guess. But let's see. NVIDIA booming. What about Micron? Did Micron get across yet? Did Micron come back up? Micron. Let's see here, folks. All right, we got 2 minutes until market open. Let's get it going. AMD. That's a candle right there. Affirm is probably going to be my favorite one. If it's going to rip like this, like... Dude, Affirm has been so dirty usually. Like, so dirty. So we'll see. Affirm's going to be my favorite one today. But remember, call out the crosses on what you see. We don't need all 1,500 of us staring at the Affirm. Like, that's not going to help us. So I can't, but like, I have to leave up GME, AMC, and the SPY. So you guys, if you guys have 4 charts up, make sure you're looking at other stuff too. Like, I like Affirm, but that's not going to be the only trade that we're looking at today. How long is he going to wait, everyone? 9:31? Maybe. All right. Affirm just went green. SPY's coming up here. Amy's fighting. Let's see. So GME's trying to get some candles here. Come on, Affirm. Mullen's sharding the bed. Yeah, short exempt time. RSI's high on Affirm, though. Where's the Rizzy? True. You're not wrong. You are not incorrect in your statement. Oh, whoa, Amy. Woo! Oh, ding, ding, ding. Market is open. SPY coming up here. Affirm. Let's see if it's going to cool off a little bit here. SPY coming up. Maybe we trade SPY. I don't know. Affirm flicker. SPY moving. What are the... Oh, those microns just got... Okay, maybe it's a bid-ask spread situation, but those microns just got rug pulled. SPY. Ooh. SPY flickering around a little bit here. See, Affirm did cross, but it's just flickering. It's just... Oh, Amy. Here we go, people. You have Affirm on all four? Stop. Nonsense. All right, so SPY just crossed it open. It's above the 200 EMA. Where's Para? That's what I want. Para. What's up with Para? Yeah, Para looks good on the cross. Stealing from market makers. All right, here we go. Amy, it's time to shine here. 1507. Oh, come on, Amy. I know you want to go. I know you want to go, Amy. Come on. Where's Para? Oh, the spread on this is ridiculous. Let's see. Where's Affirm, Square, PayPal? Charge points and up. Square, PayPal. Amy 1506 down 14 cents right here. SPY's just holding. SB opens down 0.3%. NASDAQ falls 0.5. Lucid. See, it's Lucid's a shark finner. Let's see. Amy, new day highs on AMC over here. Lucid looks good. Amy, new day highs. There we go. Come on, people. All right. Lucid does look good. Where's charge point? That's actually what I want. I want charge point. Yeah. Charge point on the cross. That's usually a fun one. Charge point. What up, sir? Ben Levine. What's going on, man? All right. SPY just flickering here. The firm doing it yet? Yep. Yep. Remember, I'm trading small today. Very, very, very small. See, SPY's trying here. GME down. Yep. I do like it. All right. Affirm looks a little spicy. Let's see what happens with the spot. GME booming. Amy booming. Let's go. Did UConn win? No, they lost. All right. Let's see. What else do we want? What were we looking at? Charge point. Charge point. Yeah, charge point looks good. GME's getting some nice candles over here. Verizon. Dude, Verizon can get dirty. Down. Ooh. SPY moving down. Amy's trying to come up. Nvidia's booming. Where's Micron? Sucking it up. Micron is sucking it up. Made 300% on Moderna already? Oh, you're done for the day, man. Discord alerts going nutty this morning? I bet they are. I bet they are. GME's trying to get above that 200 EMA over here on the 5-minute. Woo! Here we go. Let's see, SPY. What are we going to do here? Micron is sucking. Maybe it's a Micron puts day. Maybe it's a Micron puts day. Did it cross? No, but it does look like it wants to come down. Let's see, SPY. What are we going to do here, pal? 50% on a firm in 2 minutes? Damn, son. You going to play some 1348 on GME today? Probably not, no. Probably not. So I did get some Affirm. But let's see. Charge point was the other one that I wanted on the cross. Yeah, I do like charge point right here. So I'm going to get a couple charge points. Just because, you know. Oh, they filled me on that. Nice. All right. Charge point looks good. Affirm, how are we looking? Oh, dirty. What am I up on Affirm? You guys willy-nilly bought it at open, didn't you? Crazy people over here. Freaking nutsos is what you are. Absolute nutsos. Oh my God. I have to do so many of these cancel. All right. I'm up 15% on Affirm and I'm up 10% on Charge Point. So nice. Getting slapped in the face on Micron. My Amy's are now. Oh, Amy, come on. Let's go. Oxy. Occidental. Oh, dude. Amy looks good right now. Come on, Amy. Spy's coming back up. Stole some contracts on Affirm. Yeah, I kind of did. Oh, I'm up 38%. I'm going to do the make it free strategy again on Affirm if it works. Oh, I have a shitload of charge point contracts. Ooh, look at that Spy pop there. Woo! Spy running. Here we go. Where's Affirm? Oh, yeah. Charge point. Are you going to do it for me, pal? Oh, it looks. Oh, Amy just coming up here. All right. 47% on. Wow. Okay. So if these Affirms really start to get going, I'm going to do the make it free strategy on it. They're looking good. Charge point's looking good. Spy's doing its thing over here. Affirm is just moon missioning. Told you Spy was going to run today? Yeah, but like that's not helping Micron. Let's see. Mullen, what's up with Mullen? Is it just mulling around? It's trying here. Who is calling me? Stop it. We will have none of that nonsense today. 30% on charge point, 34% on Affirm. All right, let's see. GME's now above that 200 EMA over here. Amy's just making new day. It's at 1539 is a day high. Let's see what happens with Affirm right here. It could just shark fin. Be careful. Like, be very careful on Affirm. Did cost bar increase again for Amy? No. Oh man, Affirm just looks fucking good. Hold on. Yeah. Let's see. See, Affirm coming down. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. 23% on charge point. Spy's doing good over here. Amy just looking for that high. Uber, what's up with Uber? Running? It's getting across here. Affirm's looking all right. It's not the best. Affirm's not the best right now. I mean, what's it? Is it coming down below the 1 minute 13 yet? No, it's not. Interesting. You got the strangle on FedEx and I'm down. How's that? Because it didn't move. FedEx didn't really move. Oh, Amy new day highs. GME ripping. What's charge point doing? Charge point little red here. Made a quick 40% Affirm. In and out. Easy money. Yeah, mine might be red. Yeah, slightly red. Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Spy's looking like it wants to get a little spicy here. Nvidia's running. Yeah, Nvidia looks spicy. Oh, dude, look at it. Ben, those contracts must be printing for you. Oh, dude, Nvidia's going wild right now. It's just moon missioning. Let's see here. Neo. Amy looking all right. Spy flicker. Let's see where the money's going to go. Baba. Baba on a run. Oops, that's the wrong one. It was crossing. Yeah, Baba's getting a candle here to the upside. Micron sucking it up, man. All right. I'm up decent on the charge points. The Affirms are up 5%. Baba's running. Where's Neo? Neo getting a candle too. Let's see here. Yeah, Neo looks good. So let's see what that's going to do to the EVs. My Affirms are flat. Neo looks good here. Confused AF. What is GME doing? Ripping. That's what it's doing. It's trying to rip. In and out of charge point. There you go. Where's charge point right now? Still green. A firm holding. Let's see. Exxon's running. Yeah, Exxon's running up on a 1348 right here. Riot. Let's see. Is Bitcoin running? Riot's trying here. CME's looking good. Amy's looking all right. Yeah, Riot's starting to come up. How do we like DraftKings? I honestly haven't taken a look at it at market open yet. Oops, that's the wrong one. BKNG. Everything's starting to get that cross to the upside here. Where's charge point? It's looking all right. Affirm. Trying here. Oh, Affirm's trying. Prog going nuts. Yeah, Affirm is very, very volatile right now, so careful. Yeah, Prog is going nuts a little here. Charge point. What the hell? You get slapped in the face right here, pal? Where's Neo? Charge point, little red over here. Where's this on the 1 minute? That's not the best thing I want to see over here. That's not really what we want. Affirm. Affirm looking all right. Your AMD calls are ripping. There you go. There you go. Spy's trying to make a little move here. Oxy is moving up. Hold on. Let me check charge point. Okay, charge point, little bounce. Oxy. That's a 1 minute. Yeah, Oxy bouncing hard off that 200. Spy starting to move up here a little bit. GME is looking good. What are these affirms? Oh, yeah. All right. We're looking good. Para selling off. Interesting. All right. Hold on. Here comes a firm. Loose it up as well. Yeah. Here we go. Guys, again, if you are having fun today already on these firms, or I think the charge points are, yeah, the charge points are up 11%. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Let's get some more people in here. 15-16 on AMC. It's looking like it wants to do something here. Firm looks like it wants to get spicy. Contracts on GME must be smoked. Yeah, this is why I wasn't playing it. Like, I didn't want to touch it. GME is looking for that 1348 cross and above that 200 EMA over here. Let's see. I'm up. These firm contracts are super volatile right now. They're up 30% right now. But at this price last time, it's looking for a new day high. Looking for a new day high on a firm. The charge points are up 20%. These are flickering around really hard. Spy's moving up again. Let's see what we're going to get over here, people. 32% on a firm, in and out. Good for you, man. I mean, I'm probably going to do the make it free strategy here on it. So we'll see what happens. Did you watch Trade's last video on the market reversing soon? I did not know. You guys were telling me about it, but I didn't get a chance to watch it. I think we're on the same page with it, though. Like, that's what I was saying. I was talking about that in the last night's video, that like we're due for like a little run here. If a firm can break this 37.89, that could get really spicy. Up to just joined the Discord this morning. Already made enough to pay for itself this morning on ChargePoint and DraftKings. Dude, there you go. Guys, if you do want to learn the strategy that we're using to just steal money from market makers and print all the time, make sure you guys check out that link to the Discord that's in the top of the description, or it's first link in the description and linked in the top of the live chat over here. The affirms are up about 48%. The charge points are up 23%. I have a fuckload of ChargePoint contracts. Jesus. They were just cheap, and I bought a lot of them. All right, 60% on a firm right now. It's looking like I want to make this free soon. Let's see, though. Spy's moving up. 196% on free affirm calls from yesterday morning. Attaboy. All right. These are dirty, I think. I think these could be dirty. So we'll see. That was the one stock that I was looking at this morning really, really closely, and it's looking really good. Up $5,000 on all the freebies. Ben, you fucking animal, dude. All right. It's hitting that day high. Amy, come on now. 19% on charge point, 66% on a firm. 1348 is by far the best strategy I've ever learned. That's why I talk about it a lot, because I want you guys in there making money with us. That's literally why. Or at bare minimum, I want you guys to learn the strategy. How do you make 196% of free? Well, it's just the contracts that you left on the table. Made one affirm free at 100%. Yeah, I'm not there yet. I'm up 66%. I'm looking for it to go up like 100% and then sell 3 of my 4 contracts. You're up 1,286% on free affirm call from earlier this week. God damn, bro. Yeah, affirm looks spicy. Spy's coming up. Where are these charge points at? Where's charge point? Charge point looks good at the day high. Spy looks good here. Get my laptop this weekend. Can't wait to start your guys' trading strategy and print some tendies. Yeah, man, we're getting there. All right, charge points at the day high. What's affirm doing? Booming, dude. Dude, NVIDIA. I was hunting for it. I was hunting for some NVIDIAs. Yeah, I just didn't get it. I didn't want to spend any more money on it, but maybe depending on what I do with this, I do want it. I just don't want to chase it. Where's Micron? Is it coming back to life? Not really. Amy's trying to get some nice candles over here. Where's Affirm again? Is it taking a breather? No, Affirm is just mooning. 91% on Affirm. All right, this is where I start to get a little bit shaky, and I want to make some stuff free going into the end of the day. So I think that's what I'm going to do here. I think they're capping on these bid asks over here. 250% amount of firms sold 2 out of 3. There you go. Yeah, I'm up a decent amount on it. I'm going to try to get a silly fill on this and just it's just pumping, dude. I'm going to leave this for a second. It's up over 100% now. So I've got enough. The affirm position's up over 115% now. Holy shit. 23% on charge point. Literally print on affirm here. So what I'm going to do here on affirm is I'm making it. Yeah, I got to make this free. This is just silly. I can't be fucking around like this. So I'm going to sell 3 of my 4 affirms right here and see if I can get a nasty fill on this. I think they will give it to me too. Ooh, they're not going to on this one. Let's see if they get me on that. No, they didn't get me on that. Dude, they gotta fill me at this. All right, they got me. So I got filled on the affirm. I still have 1 free contract. I'm up 23% on the charge points. I don't even know what the calculation. I have 12 charge point contracts. This is crazy. So I'm gonna let that affirm ride until the end of the day here, just for fun. AMC's looking good. Where are my calls at? My AMC calls are getting slapped, but that's okay. My Micron calls getting slapped. Spy's starting to come up here. All right, next trade. Here we go. How much is the Discord? It's $69 a month. It's like comes out to like $2 or $3 a day per trading day. So I just made way more than that. Is charge point running? Are we gonna do the charge point chant today? Charge point. Here we go. Is the 1348 setup mainly for playing options? Not sort of. I mean, you can use it with shares too. It works the same. It's all momentum. So really, really, really enjoyed those affirms while they lasted. Now the free contract's up 83%. So I like that. Spy's coming up here. I almost want some spy calls. Like I also don't. I haven't traded spy in a minute. It's cheaper than a cup of coffee from Starbucks every day. Yeah, and it makes you boatloads of money and teaches you how to trade for yourself. Like, guys, you gotta learn this. You bought ChargePoint before you did. I'm only at 1%. Won't go beyond that somehow. You probably got sparked on the fill. I mean, I'm up 15% on it. Neo's mooning. Fuck, I wanted that. Yeah, I did want. All right, we'll take a. Spy's coming up here. PayPal, Twitter, cross upward and moving. Yeah, dude, PayPal was another one that I wanted. Yeah, PayPal. Where's Affirm right now? Yeah, coming down a little. Where's Square? Square's usually a little expensive, but if it runs, it freaking runs. All right, Spy. My bold Spy prediction is now coming to fruition again. I like it. I like these bold Spy predictions. Oh, now I'm only up 3% on the charge point. Nvidia making me rich today? I know it is, Ben. I know it is, buddy. Good for you, dude. Nvidia's rocketing. Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. All right, I'm up 7% on the Neos that I just got. Oh, now I'm up 94% on the free Affirm. Hey, market maker, give me my money, dude. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button too. Helps out with the algorithm. Hopefully, we can get some more people in here printing with us. DraftKings, what do we got? DraftKings looks all right. Spy flickering. The Neos are looking good. The charge points are down a little bit, which kind of sucks because I have a boatload of those contracts. If those, all right, I might have to hit the stop here soon. Hold on. 108% on the. Oh no, charge point I think is gonna be fine. Yeah, charge point just popped back up. Your Neos are up 60%. Mine are up 13. I'm gonna try to get a free Neo contract too. You're up 50% on Nvidia in a minute. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh shoot, that was the strike I wanted. The 257 or the 257.50. Darn. All right, Affirm is mooning right here. Hold on, I think Affirm's at new day highs. Yeah, Affirm new day highs. You're welcome. There we go. Yesterday, a guy commented that his white boyfriend buys him AMC, and you read it and didn't give it a second thought. Nah, dude. I mean, it happens around here. You guys are just letting your wives do their own thing, I guess. Thank you, SB. You're welcome, Steven. You are welcome. All right, let's see. The Neos are up 4%. Charge points are down now, which is strange. Charge point. This is probably on the 1 minute down. Ooh, I don't like that. See, this is what I don't like. When it crosses below, oh, it popped a little here. 1348 made me over $5,000 this week. I appreciate it so much. Being a stay-at-home dad worked out perfect. Dude, this is why we talk about it. Anybody that comes in here from now on that tries to talk shit about the Discord at 1348, they can just screw off. It works. That's why we tell you guys about it. Amy, 1534 over here. Spy doing its thing. I want Amy to rip. All right. Oh, charge point, I think, bouncing. Yeah, charge point candle. There we go. Come on. New day highs on charge point. Let's go. You're going to call it Mullen $3 today? There you go. Do you trade for a living? Do you have a side job? I'm at work right now. This is my job. Charge point is like low volume or something. It just moves jerky. Yeah, 95,000 in volume. Those contracts are up good. Neos are up good. The Affirms are up a lot. GME, nice candle here. Come on, Amy. Let's break that 1550, huh? Huh? All right, where's Neo? I just got a little baby Neo at 20. I got the $20 strike on it just for fun. It looked really spicy, and I got that 1348, and the Chinese stocks are going. So we'll see what happens with this. Spy's coming back down. Well, Maddie B's TV, it's not just trading. It's like YouTube. It's everything. All right, Neo down. Charge point flat. Or no, the Neos are up, but the charge points are flat. Oh, back into the green. Affirms are up 90%. How much am I making per day trading? It depends. Sometimes I'll make like $50. Sometimes I'll make like $2,000. It depends on the day. It really does depend on the day. Fridays are typically crazy. Like if I hold shit on Fridays, it's crazy. I'll be joining your Discord soon. It will make my life so much easier trying to find trades by myself and working full time. It is. That's why we have the alert system for you guys. So it literally just tells you when things are crossing on 350 stocks. So your Micron $82 call might not print today. Yeah, mine is definitely not the definition of printing right now. It's the exact opposite. Neo rejected here, coming back down. Where is this on the 1 minute 13? Yeah, so it's coming down to the 1 minute 13 EMA over here. Spy's coming back down. Let's see what happens here. And the market is changing. No, look at this on the 1 minute right here. Bouncing right off that 13. $13.48 Prince. Don't sleep on joining the Discord. There we go. Wait, we're supposed to make money with trading? Yes. Amy, come on. All right, we're looking good here. Neo back up. Charge point about a rip. Dude, I would love that, man. I would freaking love if Charge Point just went on a... Oh, there we go. All right, if these go crazy, I mean, I'll lose my mind. Yeah, Charge Point going. How many free contracts can I get right now? I actually could have a decent amount of free contracts on Charge Point right now if I wanted to. Because I have so many contracts that they're up like a little bit. I could have like 3 free contracts on Charge Point. I'm not going to do it. Do you trade out pre-market crashes? No, not typically. Let's see. Spy little bounce here. Amy's trying to make a new day high over here. GME is... Jimmy was down 10%. Now it's only down 2%. Those shorts can shove it. Charge point new day high. 23% on the charge points. 96% on a firm. I'm only up 4% on the Neo, but charge points looking good. Why is SoFi moving up this morning? I think it's over 20% short. It's probably just moving up with like SoFi is probably moving up with like a firm and everything. So, here come the charge points. Oh, Amy is looking to get over 1550 right now. If Amy can break 15, there it is. There it is. 1552. New day highs on AMC. Here we go. Come on. We're up 2% right now. GME's trying to rip over here. SoFi's coming up. Oh, there go my charge points. There they go. There they go. They're up 69% right now. Hey, market maker, fuck off. That's what I have to say to you. Neos are up 20%. Dude, printing. There we go, everybody. You got the June calls on what? On Amy? All right, SPY back down. Still just cranking on charge point here. AMC is above 1550 now. That's good. Let's see if my contracts will come back to life on it. I mean, they're down 50% right now, so I need a little bit of a move here. Affirm's up 270%. Bing bong. Sam, attaboy. Attaboy, Sam. That's what we love to see out of you guys. My free one's up 128%. Check out DD. I don't really want to because it's a Kramer stock, but it is ripping. Whoa, my Neos are ripping now. Yeah, my Neos are doing good. So Neo, I'm going to hold these for a while. I can do the make it free strategy on it if I want to. I can do it on charge point right now at 73%. How many would I have to sell? I could have 10 free contracts. That's ridiculous. Yeah, a firm's probably going to be the trade of the day here. So I'm going to hold that free contract for funsies. That's just mood. Oh, look at GME with a giant candle right now. Here we go, people. Amy's starting to come up here. This is a solid day so far. Here we go, everybody. Woo! My neighbors are going to hate me when they come back from spring break. We're just over here just stealing money from market makers, and they're going to be like, what is wrong with this kid? Nothing. We're getting rich. 69% on charge point, 35% on Neo, 118% on a firm. Max pain for AMC is 16. You called it last night. Zip Trader Charlie did a video on Mullen, and I called Mullen Boom today because of it. There we go. Dude, GME's just over here making new day highs. It's up 4.5% right now. Just rip it. Amy. Oh, let's go. Print. Amy, let's get the 16 now, huh? We're getting, here she goes. Let's see, 76% on charge point. My AMC 1550 is coming back to life. 130% on Twitter, 70% on PayPal. There we go. Amy wants to take off, people. We're up 3.6% right now. Oh, man, it is looking solid over here today, people. Let's have some fun. IWM's ripping. Yup. Here we go, everybody. All right, SPY starting to come up here. Oh, man, this is going to be an absolutely spicy day today, I think. I think this day could come with some spice. Where's NVIDIA? Oh, my spiciness on NVIDIA. What's the danger zone? It's like 20. The first one. Oh, my God. Oh, Amy. We have not seen these types of moves on AMC in a while. Look at the amount of just craziness that we're getting on this. This is nutty. This is nutty. So my Amy 1550 calls are just they're coming back to life over here. So Jimmy's looking good. Amy's trying to come up. Nvidia is doing good. SPY's flickering around. This is on the 1 minute. Let's throw this back on the 5. This is looking good. James, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Are we squeezing? No, we're just going on a run right now. So Nvidia is still coming up over here. SPY's moving back up. Let's see. What else do we want? Micron. Micron moving up now. So those contracts have the potential to come back to life if it really runs. How many times did I say instead of complaining, just keep buying the discounts? Boom. Yeah, Micron is coming back to life. So I'm still holding that. My charge points are coming back down a little bit here. My Neos are kind of flat. My Affirms are up 101% though. So that's nice. So there's that. SPY, Flicker, where's charge point? I have the 1850s on charge point. So it was close to 1850. Very close. GME is mooning. Let's see if it can get another push here. Come on, let's go. Netflix ripping. See, I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade any Netflix. How's AMD or Uber or stuff like that? AMD's looking good. What about Uber? Uber looking a little spicy. DraftKings or Oxy or Exxon. DraftKings. SPY back up here. Here it goes. Come on. Disco. What's up with Disco? Disco is crossing right here. Come on, Amy. 16. Let's go. SPY's moving up here. 10% on Neo, 38% on charge point, 81% on Affirm. The charge points I have not made free yet. The Affirm's free. The Neo's not free yet. Okay, made 300% on AMC calls, done for the day. Not bad for 30 minutes of work. Diamond backhand. Jesus, dude. Using 1348 on that? Look at this. Little 1348. Oh, actually, no, not really, I don't think. 46% on charge point. Wait, multiples of 50% on charge point. I could take it. I just don't want to. Let's see here, guys. Come on, Jimmy. I want to see GME run to 100 today. That's what I want to see. I want to see Jimmy just run all the way to 100. Your target puts printed today? There you go. 56% on Micron calls. Just sold them. Yeah, mine are down horrendously. So we'll see what happens. Great start to the day. Wow, Jacob. Yeah, Walmart crossing. See, that's tempting. Disco looks... man. Disco looks good here, man. It's a... What were you saying? Walmart crossing? I do like me some Walmart, man. And Walmart crossing down. All right, here comes GME again. SPY's ripping here. SPY is ripping up to this level over here. So SPY is still red by a couple of cents, but Amy, it's time to go. Oh, GME new day highs. Here we go. Here we go, people. Let's go. Up 200% on the GME call from 15 minutes ago. Shanner, there you go, buddy. All right, Amy, come on. It's your turn now. Get a new day high over here. Crack that 16 and let's go. Micron has earnings this month too. Yeah, mine expired today. 53% on the charge points, 17% on the Neos. Let's see. SPY's looking good. GME's looking solid over here. Amy, it is time to get going here, pal. Affirm, we had 39. GME just looking strong here, man. Where's Neo? Neo above 20? No, it's close though. Oh, SPY out of the box here. SPY is out of the box. Here we go. Charge point. Charge point. Charge point looks good here. Come on, Amy. Let's go. 1570. You got more in you than that. I'm down 9% on these Amy 1550s. Let's go. If these AMC calls hit, I will be making a big boy purchase of AMC. GME a little bit back down here. SPY flickering. Charge point looks good. 69% on those. 28% on the Neos. 106% on the free Affirm. Cut my Neo at 60%. Got to leave for work soon. Dude, that you made 60% on a trade before you go to work. It's entirely possible that you just made more on that trade than you're going to at work today. Good for you. Etsy blowing up. Yeah, Etsy looks good. 76% on ChargePoint, 32% on Neo, 107% on Affirm. Thanks for the NVIDIA shout out. Whoever made it up 100% so far. That was Ben, I think. Ben Levine coming in here with the fire call outs. Yeah, still getting sparked on Micron, but I mean, everything else is just looking so good. The new guy, thank you so much for the super buddy. Tesla, my favorite stock to trade, up 106%. Atta boy. There you go. Dropped another 1K on AMC. Apes strong together. Nice. I would quit my day job, but I do end of life care for my grandmother. That's very like respectable of you though. Spy box breakout. Let's go. If it rejects off this box, I will probably get out of all my calls. Tessie gonna break 900. Oh, is it? Tesla up 2.5. By a little rejection over here. Oh, where's charge point? Are my charge points in the money yet? That's what I want. 1850 breakout on charge point could be dirty. You're up 104% on your microns. There you go. I'm down 58% on the ones that I held from yesterday, but we'll see what happens with it. We'll see. Just became a premium member after hearing the stay-at-home dad making 5K this week. I'm a stay-at-home dad as well and ready to make life-changing money. Guys, again, if you want to learn this strategy, Michael Burry's Glass Eye, I'm glad to see you're taking the initiative here. Make sure you guys check out the link to the Discord in the top of the live chat or pinned in it's the first link in the description as well. This strategy is very, very, very solid, and I want all of you guys in the chat to be able to use it. So make sure you guys check that out. And also, guys, if you don't mind, as you're filtering in, hit that like button on the stream too. We're literally printing today. 54% now on these Neos, 53% on the charge points, 157% on Affirm. You're welcome. All right, here we go. Amy 1575, charge points still looking to get up there. I'm ready. Let's do it. Michael Burry's Glass Eye. Can't wait to see you in there, man. Make sure you show up to those private live streams too on Sundays and Mondays. Spy wants 440. It does. It was 440.05. If it breaks this box, I mean, the box is really 440. That's really where it should be. I just couldn't get it there. Amy's starting to come back up here. 68% on Neo, 69% on charge point, 167% on Affirm. Fire me up, people. All right, charge point at the day high. Thanks, buddy. Anytime, man. Dude, I'm so happy that you guys are going nuts today. 120% on GME. Dude, this is the best thing ever. Where else is everybody just going to be printing? I told you guys, Fridays are fun. You still got to manage your position and like follow like proper risk management. But at the same time, we're killing it. How do you get your percentage to go up so fast? Do you buy deep in the money? No. You would mean deep out of the money, but no. Mine are like 1 or 2 strikes out of the money every single time. But since it's a Friday, the contracts are going to move. 20% on the Micron I held overnight. How the hell did you do that? Mullen, new day high. Everyone is printing. Dude, it's odd. Look at my Neos. Yeah, they're up 77%. Oh, this is fun. This is my portfolio is up 142% this week. I'm going to call it a day. See you Monday. Diamond backhand. See you later, buddy. 257% on Affirm. Charge points looking like it wants to get this 1850 breakout. If it does, I might make random crazy money today. That would be nice. I'm up 80%, 84% right now on it. 61% on Neo, 182% on Affirm. Thanks, market maker. Amy, I want it above 16. 200% on NVIDIA. Damn, bro. Damn. Bought 4 AMC 1550, sold 2 for 100%. There you go, man. There you freaking go. My paycheck and tax returns both hit this morning. I'm rich. There you go. You got 18 at the money when you got yours. I'm only up 20%. That might be because you got the at the monies. And you might have also gone for next week. I'm up 80% on the 1850. The 1850s, dude, were really cheap. That's why I went for them. But I also know that ChargePoint likes to run up in these 50-cent increments. This is where market context and knowing the stocks you trade comes into effect. Like I know that ChargePoint likes to make these runs and attempts at those 50-cent increments. So the one strike out of the money can go wild especially on a Friday when it's cheap. It's coming back down a little bit here, but what's it doing? It's right at that 13 EMA in the 1 minute. SPY just got a closing candle outside of this range here. It's up 0.07%. SPY has a lot more room to run today if it wants to. It really does. So let's see what happens here. I'm up 73% on the charge points, 77% on the NEOs, and 190% on the free affirm. This is awesome. AMC is looking to come back up again. SPY, new day highs. Where's Neo? Run for me, bro. Ho, 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 ho. Neo. Micron. Whoa, that was terrifying. Did you guys hear that? There's a vacuum outside, and it just scared the crap out of me. Sorry if you guys can hear that right now. John, thanks for the super buddy. Dude, thanks so much for the 1348 method. Took a small play around account from 850 this week to over 5K. John, atta boy, dude. That's what we love to see. Neo, new day highs. SPY coming up again. Dude, this is awesome. Was that a ghost? No, it was just a vacuum. 84% on the Neos, 80% on the charge points, 195% on the affirms. Boom. I don't want to go back to school. Energy drink number 2. Here we go. You a dog? I'm not a dog, but let's see. Micron to 90 today. Oh my God, my microns that were dead are now only down 24%. All right, we just hit 200% on affirm, 97% on Neo. I should make it free. I should make the Neos free. So if Neo goes up 100%, I'll make it free. Baba running. Baba running up here. I don't want to chase anything else, really. I mean, I do. Like, obviously, I do. You guys know me. No settle cash today for me, but happy for all you people. Jordan, there you go, man. I mean, just you can take this as like a little bit of a learning day. Just like look and see what you would want. All right, Neos are up 104%. That's dirty. That's absolutely disgusting. Even Rivian's running. Yeah, where's Neo? I'll hold these Neos for a while. On the 1 minute chart, it looks really good. So we'll see. Oxy selling off. Oxy getting big reds over here. I don't know. I don't think I see any news. Yeah, I don't see any news. Xi tells Biden, China, U.S. Must shoulder do international response. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. All right. The SPY is just mooning. Where's AMD? Maybe I'll get some AMDs. No. Sam, dude, thank you so much for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Love robbing market makers with you guys every single day. Thanks, STV. Woo! Sam, thank you so much for that super buddy. I really appreciate that. Micron is crossing and running up here. Here's what I'm going to do. I did a thing. I did a thing. I did something. I did a little something. I did a little something. I might have added to the microns. That also means I should make the Neos free. If I do that, I got to make the Neos free. So we're making the Neos free. Hey, Neo. Are they going to film me at this? They might. Where's Neo right now? Yeah, they'll hit me. Yeah, so I just filled the Neos. So I still have a free Neo. The charge points are up 57%. My microns are down a little bit. 170% on affirm, the free one. I'm just kind of dicking around with micron right now. That's not like I mean, it crossed and it looked good, but SPY's flickering here, so we'll see. Dry scoop some pre-workout. That sounds ridiculous. Yeah, micron flickering here. It's about to get that cross, so we'll see what happens with it. 65% charge point, 169% affirm. I haven't even looked at affirm in a while. I'm just looking at the position. Like, where's affirm? Big printing. Ortex? On what? You guys want Ortex? On AMC? I gotcha. Sorry. Let's see. So AMC Ortex right here. Let's see what happens with cost to borrow. Wow, only 5,800 borrowed shares today. Nothing's changed on it. So 1.14% average cost to borrow. Let's see. What do we got? What was I doing? GME. Jimmy Ortex over here. Wow. So 131,000. They're not really updating it today. So hold on. We might need to wait a little bit longer to see what we're going to get on these Ortex updates. But 7.39% average cost to borrow, 21.31% estimated short interest. Firm slowly moving down here. SPY just flickering. Amy 1553. You're right on the base hits. Up $100 on 2 quick hits on Micron and Affirm. There you go, Mike G. Just quick flips in and out. Bing, bang, boom. All right, I'm up 69% on charge point. Well, I feel like I want to do something with this. But I just feel like this can get an 1850 breakout. Like it just looks like it can. Cross that open, runs up. It just 1850 right here. If it breaks it, it could get really spicy. So SPY is coming down. See, this is where market contacts comes in. SPY is now looking like it wants to break down below into this box here. That's bringing down charge point a little bit. That's why charge point's coming down. So if SPY can hold this and charge point, see, now SPY bounce, charge point up. So let's see what happens here with this. You got 80% on IWM. There you go, man. There you freaking go. All right. The Neo that I have, the free Neo's looking good. Micron looking good here. So I'm holding that Micron. All right, hold on. So SPY's moving down here. Charge point's coming down. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Squirrel. Paper handed the free Affirm at 209%. Tabasco Dave. Solid, dude. Paper handed at 200%. That's fine. There are 2 AMC charts up at the moment. No, I've got AMC on the top left, charge point over here, GME bottom right, SPY bottom left. Okay, so this is probably doing a, ooh, it fell down below. So this is getting interesting. You're up 50% on your AMC call. Does that mean I'm up 50% from when I bought it? Yeah. Also, what do you mean when it's free if you had 100% on a call? Well, you just sell half of it. Squirrel, SPY's flickering around here, coming back into the box. You think it's just a little RSI cool off? And actually, where is the RSI right now? It's probably jacked. It's probably, yeah, this is probably an RSI cool off on the SPY. Mullen ripping. Do you guys want me to hop in with you and just feed the gamma on Mullen? I don't want to, but I mean, I could. It's not like I can't. Micron crossed. Yep. Yeah, these charge points are good. 46%. I feel like I should make that free. 42%. I'm not up very much. That's the thing. Like, I bought these contracts at 13 cents. They're at 18, 19 cents right now. Like, they can go a lot. I just am waiting for that 1850 breakout if it's going to happen. Join us? I don't really want to. Charge point 1 minute RSI oversold. No, it's at 52. Micron still holding. Yeah, I'm only down 20% on that charge Micron position after the average down 18% now. So we'll see what happens with that. I think Micron could be a little spicy today. This is probably the latest we've seen us get into Micron before. One of us. Stock up good. Neo going again? Yeah, 94% on the free Neo. I'm going to leave that one. I mean, I have the $20 call for today, so we'll see. 61% now on the charge points, 152% on Affirm. Fire me up, man. This is such a good day so far. You have big resistance at 440.40. I think the SPY is super extended. I would have to agree with that, but I also think there's a little RSI cool off and it wants to just break. Micron back into the red. 46% on charge point. I don't know. I might take it. Oxy puts 72. It went. Oh boy. If you held them from yesterday, that's probably why you're up so much. 30% on the charge points now. Exxon puts running. Yeah, that could be decent here. SPY trying to come back up. Can you check AMC? Yeah, AMC is at 1549. It has a high of the day, though, at 1590. Justin, you're up 2,300% on DD. Atta boy, dude. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out with the algorithm. We're trying to get you guys printed over here. So if you guys are having a good time today and you are making money, all I ask for is just engage with the content, hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot. So SPY is now coming back down here. The Affirm's only up 99% only. The charge points are up 26. The Neos are up 34%. So Neo got slapped here a little bit. Absolutely crushed SPY this morning, brother. Thank you so much for the Discord in 1348. About $400 in 45 minutes. That's solid, dude. That is solid. All right, Neo bounce, charge point, flicker, and being a little bit of an a-hole here. I almost want to trade some SPY puts to hedge. 1 minute R7 try was a little zoomed in. Yeah, I mean it can. Where is it right now? It's probably like 35 or 1830. Yeah, 1832. This is fine. Death's Touch. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. For those who wonder how little to start with, started an experiment with only $250 in an account, worked it up 170% in 7 days following the rules. Death's Touch. There you go, man. That is awesome. Affirm cooling off. Yes, SPY's cooling off right now too. So I mean, I'm just gonna wait for this. I think Affirm can still be good. That contract is still up 90%. My Neos are up 40. My charge points are up 26%. That's fine. I'm just leaving this here. 9 million for volume made me solid. Yeah, it's not bad here. Trying to bounce up a little bit, trying to get back over 1550. Let's see. GME had that moon mission, then just kind of got walked down a little bit. Little shark fin over here. Micron thoughts? I have a call position on it here. I need $1.50 on it. Let's see. You put $500 in Webull last week and you're up to 2,600 today. Dude, this is why I want you guys to learn it. Like you guys are doing so well with it. Started an account with $169 on Monday. Now you're over $600. Attaboy, dude. Attaboy. How's GME's earnings? The market initially did not didn't like it. But I mean, it's up today. I mean, it's pretty flat now. We were up a decent amount more. We were at 94.27 before it got walked down again. But I mean, that's Micron looking like it wants to go here. SPY's coming back up. Micron needed to go boom. Please save me. Me too. I need Micron to go boom. Micron crossing up on the 10-minute. Fuck, it looks good. I just love Micron. Like, I just love it. Like, once it starts to get going like this, it just goes. So I just want it to go. You know? That's just how I feel. 100% back on Affirm. Charge point 65%. Neo 50%. So I'm waiting for that 1850 breakout on charge point. Because if that ends up really... Look at this, dude. I think I may just trade on Fridays. Michael, Fridays are the best day. Should I join the Discord? I just got my tax return. Obviously, I'm going to say yes, but only if you're going to like learn the strategy and actually, only if you're going to like learn the strategy and actually take time to learn and like follow the system. Micron, did it pop? Ooh, charge point, 1850. I want that 1850 breakout. There it is. There's one, 1851 new day high, 1852. Come on, let's run here. We need the volume to step in above 1850. No, doesn't like it. Doesn't like it yet. FedEx bounced hard after earnings reaction. Did it? It's trying. It's trying here. Let me pull up Micron. And not doing a whole lot on Micron. Charge point's still looking solid. These might be up 100%. 80%, 96% on Affirm, 60% on the free Neo. Charge point about to go. I think so too, man. Mullen running to 3. It looks good, dude. 1348 cross coming up. So that's a no on your car's extended warranty. Yeah. AMC cost of borrow just went up. Oh, Mitch, on what source? On Ortex? Where are you seeing that, Mitch? No, I see it 1.14 over here. Only 5,800 borrowed shares today. And charge point rejected a little bit. Let's see what we get over here. Come on, SPY. I know, man. I know. We're working it. We're working it. Let's see. Amy's up 2% right here, looking good on a Friday. 1.8% in the green on Jimmy. SPY's trying to make a little move here. Charge points. It just looks like it wants to get a little spicy here. It just needs a little push. People saying AMC cost to borrow is up. Overall, it is. Maybe you're looking at it on Stonko. It was at 2.06 yesterday. Okay, the Stonko tracker is listing it at 1.5 with 400,000 shares available to borrow. Yeah, stop. So maybe 1.5. That's all right. We were at 2.06, I think, yesterday on Ortex. Spy's trying to get out of the box now again. My charge point looking good. Where's Micron? Is it still green? Nah, Micron's slightly red. Where's Neo? Neo coming back down. That's on the 5-minute too. GME cost to borrow like 7%, I think we saw it at, but the high is like 16. It's crazy. Like it's all of it is looking really, really solid over here. So let's see. We got 7.38% average cost to borrow, but the high is 16. It's craziness. What are you doing today, Scott? Just got in Micron. Let's go. Careful. I might sell that Neo soon. GME short volume yesterday was 67%. Jesus. That Affirm, dude, is good. That was the one I really wanted today. That was the one I wanted. Yeah, Micron back into the green here. I need $1.50 on it. I need a run on Micron. I need $1.50 move in Micron. So with this move, yeah, I think it can do it. I think it can easily do it. Let's see. All right. What do we got here? We got Amy 1552. We got Spy trying to come up here a little bit. My Micron's only down like 16% now. Here it comes. Here it comes. Sacrifice? Sheesh. I got you, buddy. I got you. Wait, that might not have been you. That might have been long. There it is. Why are borrow rates up so much if they are not going to dump on us today? That doesn't mean they're not going to dump on us. It just means that there's less shares in general that they can use to attack us, like use to go out on loan because they've already taken out so many shares on loan. So there's a supply and demand imbalance. Yeah, charge point. Hold on. This thing's starting to go again. Yeah, there it is. So 1851. I'm holding these charge points. Micron about to get crazy on the 10-minute chart. Please sacrifice me. Andrew, I got you, buddy. If we make a bunch of money on Micron again, I'm going to lose my mind. I'm surprised they're not short attacking like usual. They probably are. It's just there's a lot of buyers stepping in on this thing, like ready to buy. Like the buyers are the buyers are like in here ready to go, I think. Like, yeah, it did get shut down here, but when we're up 2%, we're at 1550. Look at all the puts, dude. Look at this. Wait, that's Spy. Sorry. 27,000 at 15. Nothing really at 1550, and then a decent amount at 16. And then we switch to the call side. 12,000 at 15, 12,000 at 1550, 16, 23,000 contracts. That's not bad. Charge point coming up here. Ren Hal, thank you for the super. Can you give some numbers for Tesla? What kind of numbers? What kind of numbers do you want? Got a couple of Micron calls. Please sacrifice me for Micron's sake. Yes. I will sacrifice anybody for Micron. Oh, Micron. You made 45% on Neo, quick in and out. Nice. I'm up 45% on it, but that's the free contract. It's already free. Missed some plays this morning. Greg, that's okay, man. That's why I want, I take most of the trades in the morning. Like after 12, I'm probably not doing anything. 100% on NVIDIA in 30 minutes, maybe paper-handed, but I got out. Dario, that is solid, dude. Good for you. Charge point, what do we got here? And then I'll take a look at Affirm again. And it's just hanging around 1850. Affirm, solid, dude. Could be the start of a solid run for AMC if we get those $16 calls in the money today. It's very possible. I mean, that's not – it's at the most 2.3 million shares that they would need to buy to hedge it in case, at most. So it's not that crazy, but it would give a little bit more buying pressure. You're in Micron with you. Sacrifice me to the gods. All right, mods. This is the last one I'll do. Mods, can you guys sacrifice to people? Charge point touched 1850. I know. I think it hit 1852. Yeah, 1852 is the high. So SPY's just waiting to get out of this range again. If it does, we got like, and the RSI didn't cool off that much. I mean, I'm still 57% on charge point. Only 25% on the Neo. It's free. Affirms are up 140%. The microns are down a little bit. The AMCs are down a little bit as well. So charge point. All right. So yeah, everything's looking solid over here. Discord link is not working for me. It says invite invalid. Hold on, let me look. No, it works. It works. I just clicked on it. You just have to click accept invite. Try it again. Try it again. Maybe refresh your browser and try it again. Charge point. Micron, what doing? Hey. Hey. It will not let me send supers? Tim, that's weird. What happened? Tim, you know you don't have to send them in, but that's a little weird. Tim, thank you so much for all those supers you've been sending me, though, this week. I really appreciate that, buddy. SPY trying to come up here a little bit. Micron selling back off. Charge point coming down to the 5-minute 13. Oh, Micron's rejecting off that level again. Oh, my charge points just went flat. Interesting. Showtime. Oh, so it works. Q in about to rip. Here we go. Cuentas. It's up 24%. SPY's coming up again. Woo, baby. Charge point. Did you get your cool off yet? Did you cool off enough? Neo, how's this doing? Neo. Micron. 68% on half of the Micron calls, free contracts. Randy, you're learning. All right, Amy 1544. Tim be raining down supers. He does, dude. Tim's also printing. Like, Tim is really cranking. All right, the free Neos just went red. The charge points that I have are up 8%. The firms are up 123. AMC should make an OnlyFans? Why? Called out today to trade, addicted to 1348. DRM, Dr. M. I hope you're doing good, man. I hope you're cranking with it. Let's see. Let's see here. Shiny, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 1348. You say I'm a swing trader and does know indicators. Will it be easy? Don't know indicators. Will it be easy for a beginner to learn? Yes. The strategy is really, really, really simple. That's why everybody just is. It's just such a simple strategy that people can just implement like really quickly, even if they don't have like the most in-depth understanding of options trading. Everybody can do it. Babyface AMC Ape, thank you so much for the super, man. I really appreciate that. I crushed it this week. Thanks, buddy. Dude, anytime. I'm really happy that you're cranking with it. Like, I really, really appreciate it. Get those likes up. Christopher, appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, guys, as you guys are filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Let's see. Amy, huge SPY is just selling off here a little bit. Amy's coming down to that what do you call it? 25 MA. Where's charge point? I think charge point's getting slapped here a little bit, which kind of sucks, honestly. Yeah, like that kind of sucks on charge point. F Micron? Yeah, Micron's charge point. Hey there, pal. All right, I'm about to cut the charge point. Two for three this morning with a 97% gain. Thanks to you, TJ. There you go, buddy. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I'm in Micron. Let's go. We need a movement out of SPY, and we need a big break on Micron for it to really get going. All right. Wait, how did the charge points just... Well, that's got to be the spread. It bounced. How are these contracts lower? All right. Selling the Neo. Actually, I'm going to hold the Neo. It's free. Screw that. Yeah, time to cut the charge points. That sucks, man. Those are good for a minute. Probably should have made those free when they were up a lot. That's fine. Still up 73% on the free charge point. The free Neo's down a little bit now. Still absolutely stealing money today. Charge point bounced right back up. That's annoying. Whatever. What were we looking at? Exxon? Let's see. 2,400% gain this morning, says the Georgia picker. Damn. Micron doesn't want to wake up from its nap, I guess. Yeah. David, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Take my freaking money, 2x my portfolio this week. 1348, baby. It works. Affirm testing the 13 on the downside. Yeah. Well, it's bouncing off the 13 right now. Spy's just cooling. How do you get filled so quickly first thing? I go closer to the ask. Closer to the ask. So Spy's moving down here a little. All right, let's see what I'm going to do here with a firm. Spy down. Let's see. If the market did this every day, we'd all be rich. Yeah. All right, let me shoot TMI that link really quickly. Let's see. Mask Gang, what up, people? How you guys doing? Mask Gang, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. You guys know the deal. You DM me your Micron chart. Yeah, I know. I saw it yesterday. I know what you're gonna say. I think SPY is just cooling. Cost to borrow going up? Yeah, sort of. I was giving the market my money, but not anymore with 1348. Thanks, STV. TMI's uncle. There you go, buddy. All right, let's see what we're going to get on Amy over here. 1538 trying to pop back up. Spy's just coming down to this 13 EMA over here. Let's see if it breaks. GME's holding. Micron holding. Wait, where's a firm? That's what I really want to see over here. Still bouncing here. Kyle, thanks for the super, buddy. Sending for no reason other than I love the content, man. Watch you doing work every day, making bank, and you're a year younger than me. Kyle, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. I really do appreciate that. I wonder if people that are making money with the 1348 strategy are using profits to add to AMC long position or not. People are. I saw a tweet the other day that was like, hey, I literally just doubled the amount of shares that I was holding in AMC because of 1348. Yeah, the microns are getting slapped around a little here. You bought GME yesterday below 90. There you go. I mean, what's it at now? 88? A firm is holding here with this SPY move. So I do like a firm. I'm going to hold that contract. I think SB is 13 years younger than me, and I just get out of my head and listen to this man. I'm 35. Phil, thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Guys, I do really appreciate all you guys coming in here, showing support for me and the channel every single day. Like, it's really cool. STV likes to slap the ask. I do. All right, SPY down here. Let's see. I know I added 100 shares off stealing money from market makers. Dude, that's got to be like a t-shirt. Stealing money from market makers. Also, why does it matter what anybody else is doing with their money? It doesn't. You bought a store with 1348, just saying? Daniel, Jesus. Yeah, we got shark fins across the board over here. So SPY's about to get this 5-minute MACD cross down here, which is not great. RSI still above 50. Affirm. It's hanging around this 13. If it breaks it, I'll probably be out. I'm old enough to be SB Zab, but I'm here every day. There we go. You've been using the 1348 for a few weeks, still getting the hang of it. Haven't jumped in today. Do you mind sharing some companies you did 1348 on today? Yeah. Affirm crossed it open, came up really good. Charge point was a good one. I think. Yeah, charge point crossed it open. I ended up getting out for a slight loss. I didn't really go that big on it. And then we had Neo, which was really good. That was a little bit of a runner, so a little bit different. And then what else do we have? Micron, I still have, but I mean, we got to see what happens with the market. If Uber continues on its current trend, it will cross down on the 1348 and close below the 200 EMA. Ooh. All right, SPY just got a closing candle below here. Where's the firm? That's gonna just firm still at that 13. Still at the 13 on a firm. Let's see. Amy trying to bounce here a little bit. SPY just slowly making its way back down. So that was the here we go. Where's the firm? All right, I'm probably gonna ditch it. Ditch the free affirm. If it runs later, I'll get back in. I don't know, man. It just looks good. Let's see. Yeah, guys, as you guys are filtering in too, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot, gets more people in here. We're printing today. You guys are doing really, really good, and I love to see it. 3.5 trillion expired today. Yeah, is that from Zero Hedge? Walmart looking to come back up? Is it crossing? Walmart just got a little cross. A little baby cross on Wally World. It's like the more I learn, the less confident I am. That's some analysis paralysis over there. You got to be traded. You got to just follow the strategy, like 20% stop, because you know what you can lose. You know exactly what your risk is going into it. Let's see here. Firm bouncing. What about a stock like IRNT at such a low price? I've hit some decent trades on IRNT. It's just not like what I would do all the time. Micron testing the feelings. Oh, it's at the 13 though. It's at the 13. What am I feeling on Micron? I'll hold them for a while. Walmart coming up might be good to get SPY puts. Maybe Walmart does like to do its thing. It could inverse. Walmart does look all right over here. 58% on a firm. Thank you. Actually, that kind of sucks. We were up 200% at one point. I started selling quicker when I make profits and I'm much happier. I used to hold too long and lose money. Jason, that's the way to go. That's what I'm starting to do too. Just get some free contracts. I see SPY hitting 437 today before a big bounce. I think that's a little aggressive. Yeah, Micron probably is trying here. It's trying. It's just not seeing the amount of buyers that it typically does. So I wanted at 82. I don't know if it's going to get there, though. Just got in. I'm sure I missed a lot. Trey's mustache. Yes. Yeah. We did some things this morning. We did something. Affirm was the trade of the day. ChargePoint was really good, and then it just shark finned on me, and I had to get out of it at a little 20% loss. But it's fine. I'll take it. We were just riding it up. Probably should have gotten out. I was waiting for that 1852 breakout. I mean, when I see things at like 70-something% and I could have gotten like 4 free contracts, I should have sold it. So that was me being stupid and a little greedy. Affirm trying to bounce. Yeah, I like that freebie. I do like that freebie. Tesla was your best trade today? Johnny, atta boy. Walmart, is it running? It was looking like it was crossing here. Yeah, cross. It's just kind of flickering here. I don't know. Maybe I do have a lot of settled cash left that I can use. Do you just not want to talk about HYMC? Or you're not seeing my question? I'm not seeing your question. Here's the thing. If you own AMC, you automatically own indirectly some HYMC. So you can trade it if you want to. It's just not for me. I'm not, because I already own it. We all already own it. We already own some of it. Dang, I always miss the big ones. Taking care of my ducks. Another one hatched. You have ducks? That's pretty cool. Ape coin, give it to you. Let's see. SPY flickering. Where's Micron? It's just painful today. 46% on Affirm calls, 67% on SPY 440 calls in like 10 minutes. Quick in and out. Damn, bro. Damn. SPY. Look at this. Textbook. 1348 cross right here. Get it on this candle from 437. Money printer. Let's see. Yeah, a firm looks like it wants to bounce here. So I'm going to hold that free contract and see where it goes. Quack, quack. Quack. UN Security Council on the war TV or link. Okay. Nice loo noise. That was not a loo noise. You guys will know when I'm doing a loo noise. Amy popping up a little bit here. Micron trying. The Neos are about to go back into the green. Well, the free Neo. How we doing? JT, pretty good this morning, man. Just crushing it over here. How's everyone doing today? Hopefully good enough to hit the like button. Hibbity hubba. Good to see you back in here, man. I said yesterday I also own HYMC for indirect AMC shares, but I own AMC first, of course. I'm not going to sell AMC to buy it, of course. That's why I have paychecks. Yeah, exactly. You guys can do whatever you want. For a firm, I don't see the cross. It's right here. Or where is it? It's like right at open. It crosses right here. See? It's like right before open it crosses. Showtime. Thanks for the super buddy. CUEN on the daily. Next PIK. Ooh. Yes. 30% today. Still running. That's not bad. That's not bad. Amy trying to get back above 1550. Micron coming back to life. I buy more. I don't think I should. Cost about dropped on AMC. It only dropped because there's only like 5,000 shares borrowed or something. They haven't updated the borrowed shares yet. So that's kind of what we're looking at on AMC. Yeah, Micron's trying to move here. Firm, printing, Neo still above 20. Yeah, 2007. I want Neo to just rip. Amy back above 1550. That's good. GME starting to get a little pop here. Mullen looking rippy still. And Krieg is having a fun day. Wow, Mullen new highs. Do I still hold AMC? That's a silly question. Absolutely, I do. 1348 rocks in the can during the work, making these quick trades as successful as usual. Glad the volatility was there while taking a you know what. Thanks, STV. There we go. Matthew, thanks for the super buddy. Keep kicking ass. I will try, man. Yeah, Mullen popping. How about we get that other MU stock to go? Micron. Oh, we got the Duck Gang coming in here. What's up, Ducks? How you guys doing? I think that's the Duck Gang. Here we go, everybody. So we are absolutely stealing money today from the market makers. Doesn't matter what I made, but I only took one trade. 3,700% on Pin Duo. Done for the day of living proof. 1348 works. JT. Attaboy, man. Attaboy. DD's ripping again. Where's Neo? I'm not going to trade DD, but because it already ran. Like, it already did its thing. Like, it already crossed, ran. Like, you'd just be chasing it at this point. Amy, 1554, looking good. Where's a firm? Still above 39. Yeah, a firm looks really good still. Matt was drunk today. It was great. Is he really from last night? I don't. Okay. There are a couple of things that people say happen sometimes that I just think is just utter cap. One, blacking out. Like, yeah, you're going to remember, like, not remember some things or it'll be hazy. But, like, I've drank like bottles and just been like, I still remember stuff. Yeah, Mullen's been doing good increase. And then the other thing is waking up the next day drunk, unless you didn't sleep at all. Uber. Yeah, Mullen is ripping. Uber, is it bouncing and getting across? No, Uber kind of sucks right now. Well, you're young. I know, I'm very young. Let's see. What was the other one that people were looking for? Making bank. I knew it, M. Creek. We just said that. I was like, I know M. Creek is probably having a fun day. You haven't partied that hard then? Dylan, see, that's just not true. It's just false. You're looking at puts on Uber. It could be good. Spy's moving back down. Mullen's just mooning. What are the Mullen $3 strikes? 144% now on a firm. Ha. Mullen. See, I'll throw it like $100. Oh my. Dude, that's so stupid. They don't have a $3 strike. I'd have to go for the risk reward on this doesn't make any sense. GME. Yeah, it's bouncing off that 13 here. Spy's moving down. That's not really what we want. Micron's probably getting slapped in the face. A little bit. Blacked out and hung my ass out the sliding door of a minivan on the freeway. You probably shouldn't be drinking then. Spy broke support. It's bouncing here, though. Is it firm holding? Nope. Sort of. Micron got slapped. Yeah. Spy needs to get a couple of closing candles above the 13 EMA and a 5-minute MACD cross to the upside. That's what we need. Partying super hard is not a badge of honor. I know. Take care of yourself. I used to, man. I just don't anymore. Guys, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. That's all I ask for. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I'm happy that you guys are really printing today, though. Let's see, people. I don't know. I mean, we're chilling around here. Firm's holding. Neo is down below 20. Let's see. Jeremy, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Scared money don't make money. Very true. You're up 200K on Mullen. AMC Korea. Atta boy. There we go. Dude, that is a hit. How did I get introduced to markets and trading? It's a long story. It's a very long story. But the moral of the story is I started learning when I was 14. Am I still in college? Yes. And I really don't want to go back to school next week. And I'm not going to. I just don't want to have to deal with it. All right, let's see. Crush them. Tesla calls and still have some settled cash. Waiting for the next play. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting. Do you think there's any good plays left for me to jump into? I'd almost say affirm, but I don't know, man. I would say wait on it. I don't force it. Just wait on it. Just wait to see what's going to happen. Like Micron is looking okay. Like it looks, Micron's bouncing here. Am I in Mullen? No, I'm not. Man, I was happy being up $2,000 on Mullen. See, we got some whales in here, man. You got some whales in here. 14 years old, and it was either the stock market or smoking more crack. Yeah, exactly. Maybe it wasn't 14. Maybe it was 13. Because I know maybe I started working at 15? I don't know. Micron back into the green. Did I see Meet Kevin's video? The one where he said, everybody suck it? Yes, I did. And it was awesome. I love that. All right, Neo's back in the green. Affirm up 140%. The Microns are down slightly, but I'm holding, bro. I am holding these Microns. I did add a little bit too to it. So I'm hoping. I'm spraying and praying. Micron's my YOLO for the day just because we've had so much fun on Micron recently that I just want to see it go. GME popping. It's trying. It's pulling up off of this red candle over here. Trade until you're 48, then retire. How about I trade until I'm like forever? Maybe it was the crackheads who introduced AMC STV to the market. Maybe it was. It wasn't. Mullen going over 4 today, just saying. I would disagree with you, but you never know. Did you see Meek on Twitter yesterday? That one YouTuber in the video blocked him on Twitter now? No. Which one? The one that was just like, it is the biggest bull market. And nobody was thinking that. Let me see. Was it that guy? Because that guy sounded like a complete moron. Yeah, I think it was it. Yeah, it was. It was. Oh, I love it. 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 Yeah, it might have been yeah, I think so. I've never seen his I feel like I've seen him before. I've just never like seen his channel. But yeah, that's nonsense. The thing is that everybody that was coming out and talking nonsense about Meet Kevin, one, he's smarter than all of you. He's smarter than everybody. Not like everybody, but like he's smarter than 99% of the people in the finance space. That's why he's the best. So when he comes out and is like, I'm selling stuff, there's a reason. He's not just like willy nilly. Like, yeah, you can let your emotions get the best of you, but you can't come out and just call him crazy because he's not. Like everybody, we've been talking about this market crash stuff for a long time. When you see this Russia stuff, inflation, rate hikes, yeah, it's hard to time the market. And he probably could have just been like, yeah, whatever. I'm just going to hold. I'm going to buy more. But think about this. He has in a metric crap load of real estate and a giant stock portfolio. And you have to think about this. This is what you learn when you start talking to people that have like that level of money. The mindset changes. His mindset is crazy. He's a wild boy. He's smart. Like when he was buying the dip on Tesla with like maxing out his margin in March of 2020, that's a ballsy move. And that's a move that somebody with not, so it's not saying like not a lot of money would make, but it's somebody who is more geared towards growth and growing capital and taking on more risk. When you get to the point where you have 10 million, 15 million, I don't know what his portfolio was, 30 million, like okay, so you have 30 million bucks. You see the market's about to go wild. I don't know what he's doing, but he could have easily been taking out some loans on some property against his stock portfolio. It's very possible. I know I haven't watched enough of his videos, but if he was doing that, it doesn't make any sense for him to hold it. Just go to cash. Who cares? Charge point? Fuck. So the mindset of people in that situation changes from growth to protection. It's protect the capital. You've made it. Once you get the money, it's about not giving it away. Don't give it back. That's what it is. He easily could have seen a 50, 60% decrease in his portfolio. It's possible. So he was like, all right, I'm just going to cash. And then he went short and he was screwing around with stuff. And then everybody comes out and is like, you're an idiot. You're crazy. Why are you doing this? Because a lot of people at the same time want like the content creators, especially him, because he's number one, to be like, no, it's fine. Just buy the dip. Everything's going to be fine. But like when you can't always say stuff like that. You can't always just be like, especially when the market was doing that, it's like, it's getting iffy. So then people were just talking shit about him. And then he bought the dip. And he's, what was he up? 2 mil? Was he up 2 mil or something in like a week? He won. He won. Micron? Is Micron coming up? Dude, I might need to buy some Micron for the long term, dude. Micron new day highs. I have a shitload of AMD. They expect him to be a permable. Exactly. You can't do that. Oh, you guys are course members of Meet Kevin? There you go. All right. Micron's making new day highs over here. I mean, these contracts are still probably red. Yeah, a little red over here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? Affirm new day highs. Those are up 225% right now. The free Neo is up 30%. So the Affirm and Neos right now are free. Now I'm just hoping on Micron to make a little move here. That's what I'm looking at on Micron. I'm gonna be quick with it. Like, how much total cash do I have? Ooh, a lot. Read my above message from Ryan. Yeah, let me look, Ryan. If you're in Meet Kevin's course in Discord, he explains everything to us in detail when he made the moves. Yeah, I bet he did, but not everybody is. So then the people that aren't in it are just gonna talk. He fed into it though. Like that's the thing. He fed into it on Twitter. Like he can't. I think he did let it get to him a little bit, which is fine. I mean, when you're getting all that action on like social media and like actual media starts talking about you in that way, and like. And then people like really start to come at you like every time in the comment section, like, yeah, he's gonna feel it. But he fed into it and he started saying some wild stuff on Twitter. I remember that. And I was like, oh God, here he goes. Micron just crossed the 4-hour, takes him free for next week. They expired today. You did a good trade? Joshua, what'd you do? What'd you do? You'll be joining the Discord this weekend? You guys are having fun over there? Paleface, we are having a lot of fun over there, just printing money, dude. Where's a firm? Beast. A beast is what a firm is right now. What are these up? Probably 200%. 226%. Thank you. Screenshot for the Discord. Where is it? There it is. Let's see. Yeah, a firm is just printing. SPY's coming back up now. Micron. Come on, pal. Come on. Stop mulling around and buy Mullen. No. Yeah, Micron's coming. Alexander, here we go. Wait, Trey's mustache. How are your Microns? Do you think today expiration is good or next week on Micron and a firm? Depends. I probably wouldn't swing anything right now because you still don't know. But I think the market is back to being in like call season. I think we're getting there. So 48% on the free Neo. I'm only down a little bit on these Microns. Mullen breaks 3, it could go nutty. SPY getting a little bit of resistance at the top of the box. Dude, I would love to talk to me, Kevin. That would be cool. No, sell like Gabe says. Screenshot equals sell. I've already sold it. 8 juggling knives. It's free. I've made that contract. I'm already guaranteed that contract can go to 0, and I've already made money on the trade. Joe Bolton, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Printing. Guys, you guys know you don't have to send those in if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. I am really, really excited to see all of you guys making a lot of money in this market. Retail is not supposed to be making money right now, but you guys are taking control with 1348. So thank you guys. This is awesome. Micron boom. Finally, bro. You just bought back into a firm in Micron. You're up 20% on each right now. How big did you go? How big did you go, mustache? I wouldn't be going big right now. I'd be very careful. 51% on the free Neo, 227% on the Affirm. Microns are down 10%. Let's see. Micron, a little SPY's just trying here. Amy's at 1560, looking good. Just 2 contracts each. Okay. You're up 21% on Mullen since yesterday. There you go. Thomas J, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Have you done some Ortex today? I've done a lot of Ortex today. You have 5 stocks my screener wants to look at. Big, Qfin, Navi, Can, Curtia. That sounds interesting. My Microns are up 20%. I think I'm YOLOing. Careful, pal. Careful. Mine are down right now. Mine are still red. I need a big move on Micron for this to work. I honestly might have to... I think things look good going into the end of the day here. 300% on a firm. You made $5,000 today, story time. You're welcome. I'm just kidding. Good job. That like button looking a little thin. No, it's fine. Let's see. Sacrifice me for Micron. We need 85. Dude, if we hit 85, I'll do something crazy. Let's see. Gerardo, thanks for the super. What strategy you used to buy crack for the low? Negotiating. I don't know. SPY's coming up here a little bit. Micron trying. Where's a firm? Yeah, a firm. If it breaks 40 here, could get really spicy. Yeah, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. This will be 300% soon. 253% right now. My Micron's only up 62% in free. Bought on the retest. Yeah, mine are down because I held them from yesterday and then I added a little bit. SPY 440 and hold. Where is it right now? Yeah, if it holds 440 and Brit gets another closing candle outside of this box, that could be good. Gabe! Woo! 700% on NVIDIA. You fucking beast. You motherfucker. Gabe, you want to pop on for a little bit? The people were asking for you. The people were asking for you. The people wanted some Gabe. Gabe, you want to come on now or do you want to come on in the afternoon? Because the people wanted it. You want to come on now? All right, let's do it. Fuck yeah, dude. Where is he? Booming. Caesar. It's almost like there's a literal wall at 16. Yeah, let's do it, Gabe. I'm still holding these free affirms. What else do I got? Fucking Micron, bro. Still holding. Still holding. Oh, there he is. Whoa. Hello, hello. I think your mic's off. Yeah. What's up, fucker? I think your mic is still off.
All right. You got me? All right. Oh, man. How you doing?
Really good. Really good. I love Fridays, dude. We called a nice little affirm out. I think mine are up like I've made it free. So I just have a free contract riding at 257% right now, which is awesome.
Yeah, it's fucking great. $3.5 trillion worth of algo money. Gotta fucking love it. Gotta love it. What's up, guys? Yeah, that's what we say here. But we're not gonna get a show to fix stream banned here. We're not cursing today.
Why? Fuck. This is great. Here goes the SPY. Dude, this is a solid day, man. This is a solid day. You made 700% on NVIDIA?
Yeah, man. I was just...
Did you hold it overnight?
No. I came in this morning.
I held some microns overnight, and they were sparked this morning. Bad. They were tiny. It was a tiny little YOLO. I was like, I think the SPY is going to come up today, and I also think Micron's going to go up. So I had a tiny little YOLO on it, and then it started to come back. So then I added a little bit more, and they're about to go green right now.
Dude,
it just went green. I traded Neo, dude. Wild. Everybody in here is printing today. It is awesome to see.
I love to see that. I fucking love to see that. You know, like totally different vibes, man. Like seeing people win, just really fucking winning, totally different vibes, bro.
Yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna add a couple more here.
Man.
The new guy gave close to 13K yesterday. The new guy printing, dude. The new guy.
Oh, yes. The new guy. The new guy killed it yesterday. It was funny, though, right? Because the new guy was sending messages to people, and people were sending me messages like, who's the new guy? I'm like, the new guy. That's his fucking name.
Dude, this is
Jesus.
Great. This is great, man. I love when everybody's making money, dude. This is great. The one thing that I was looking at this morning, I was like, I want a firm. I want it. It was either going to make a giant move up or a giant move down. And I was just like, I told everybody, I was like, don't go willy-nilly buying it at open. And then just people did. And then they were up way more than me. And I was like, you're irresponsible, but good for you, I guess.
Congratulations. Dude. Okay. Remember all last year, you know, quad witching days were like duds, especially for AMC, right? Because everyone would get excited for it. And then it was like, bah, bah, bah. But now to see the community just fucking killing it. And they're just like, fuck it. Give me green. I love it. And guys, it's not over because what goes up must come down. I can't wait for that part.
We could easily be hitting it to the downside later today too. Easily. Or Spy goes on a
Easily.
moon mission. I think it's equally as possible that Spy goes on a moon mission today. I think the market is flipping. I think it's flipping. Like we were talking about in the private live stream, like we got to wait and see what happens. But I think if we start to see, because like right over the last couple of weeks, puts have just been the easy trade because you start to see the market sell off and then everything just really starts to tank. But now it looks like the buyers are starting to step back in on everything. Where's a firm?
Well, everything's a bargain.
Yeah.
And we've already removed a lot of uncertainty, right? We know what the Fed is going to do. We're still waiting on what the hell is going to happen in Russia, but whatever. I think the market's just saying, "Hey, look, let's print." I mean, Tesla ran this morning.
Oh,
Everything
people
ran
were
this morning.
killing it on Tesla, dude.
Oh my, people were killing it. Let's see.
Are we getting a lower cost Discord tier? It's coming, but it's only going to give you like the date. What is it, Gabe? It's the 4 hour, the daily, and then like the couple of 5-minute alerts on there.
Yeah. That's how you
So
really
it's for
gonna
people
get.
that can't. It's only for people that can't sit here all the time and can only swing trade. It's not like something that you can like. It is going to be solid for those people, but it's not going to be for everybody. Hey SV, can you ask Gabe for his no BS assessment of Mullen? All right, want to pull up Mullen? Mullen, I'm still not touching it. I will not be touching Mullen for a while.
Oh. Here's my assessment on Mullen. Right, I'm not tying up my money for something that could take time. Right, you talk about lost opportunity in the market.
We've already done that.
Right? We've already done that, right? You lost opportunity in the market because, well, you tie up money, right? And, well, we're long holding AMC for the most part. I just don't. I'm ready for this thing. Look put it on a daily. Just put
for
it on a
Amy
daily.
Or Mullen? For AMC or Mullen?
Mullen. Right, all the way out. Zoom out. Right. I want that move. I don't want the move to the upside.
This one?
Yeah. I want it from the peak all the way down.
Yeah. It's easier. You see what I'm saying? Way.
It's easier that way. Absolutely.
Will it do it again? It might. It also, like, long term, I think it could be all right. Like, I think long term, Mullen's going to be all right.
Oh, long term.
But right now, I wouldn't like willy-nilly trade it to try to like I wouldn't treat it like because I know a lot of people were getting burned on SPRT Pro, like those. Like, that's not what we want. Like, that's why when you guys ask me about it, I'm like, relax a little. Like, you can't go chasing after the new shiny thing all the time.
Yeah. Nobody's chasing anything. Nobody's chasing anything. We should not be chasing anything in the Discord at the very least.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the Discord guys, I don't think are. I mean, if you want to take a little bit of a shot at something, nobody can fault you for that, but just be careful. Dude,
that's it. MU.
I like it. I just keep taking more contracts. I just keep backing them. I just keep buying more. I literally just keep doing it. Spy's coming up now. Where's a firm, dude? People were like, hey, if you screenshot it and send it to the Discord, you should sell it. And I'm like, well, I've already sold it. This is the freebie.
Absolutely. Honest to God. Yeah, I did 700% on NVIDIA. I only put 10 grand in though. And it was actually
70 G's.
Yeah, come on, dude. Never mind. It's relatively speaking, right? The thing is that, I actually did something I normally don't do just because it was quad witching. And I was just like, hey, if I burn alive, that's fine. But I just wanted to have fun today. Otherwise I would have been a sad boy that I didn't play in a party today. So anyways, yeah, it was a YOLO.
Dude,
you
know what my YOLOs are? You know what my YOLOs are? I don't know.
What?
$100?
Oh, damn, no. I mean, well, when I say YOLO, I'm talking about like like 8 strikes out of the money.
Oh, wow. Dude, I was looking at it today. I was like, in the morning, I was like, I want the 257s. And I was looking at it. I was like, I already got a
Yes.
firm. I already got all these other plays going. I'm like, yeah, probably not. And then I was like, fuck. Whoa, Jason, thanks for the big super, dude. Because of you two and TMI, I turned my portfolio from 5K to 10K in less than an hour. Now I am day trade restricted, but it was worth it. Gabe's say the word starts with an F and it ends with a K. SV, you need a 30-year-old ASAP. Enjoy the weekend, dude. Thank you. Fuck. Ray, thanks for super. 1348 made my first 1K day yesterday. Another 1K today. Let's go. My membership is paid for the year.
Twice.
Damn.
Twice. Paid for the year twice.
You guys are doing good, man.
Wow. Wow. And wow. Oh, man. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful day. Yeah. 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 Let's see. 70 G's was that a Coca Hookers? It was well, I have to go to the Coke and Hooker, exchange and
Dude,
see
you
what
know what I was saying the other day? Like, and speaking of like Coke, so when I don't know if I've told you this one, but when I was like 14 and I started working caddying, like the first couple of days that I was there, I was like, what are these dudes doing? And it was like 6:30 in the morning. Turned out that they were smoking crack before going to caddy. And it was the weirdest thing of all time. But I was thinking, I was like, if you're thinking about it right now with inflation, those are probably a better store of value than a lot of things.
Oh, shit.
Like, I was like, I mean, if you're protecting against inflation, like, it would make sense. But, like,
yeah,
don't
right?
do that. Like, but theoretically.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yeah. No, we're not paying a year. We don't want your money prepaid. We don't want the year up front.
Yeah, we don't want that.
No. I mean, no. Pay monthly. That's it. The price of crack is rising higher than inflation. I'm just reading this
I don't
here.
know. I just feel like it would. I just don't know. I feel like that's just like a bold prediction in the drug market, I guess. I don't know. Not a hedge fund YOLO'd $40 into a firm 40-50 calls, sold 2 for $50. Now I have 3 free. Here's me paying the plug. Thank you, not a hedge fund. I appreciate that, buddy.
Oh, man. Oh, man. So, dude, that Merc, bro, I saw those lights. They look pretty.
Dude, it is really cool. It doesn't look that cool on the outside. I didn't even know that it had the lights when I was getting it. Didn't know because I saw that one in Orlando where the lights were lighting up in it, and I was like, "Ooh, this is cool."
Didn't you see it in my AMG? Remember when it came to town? Yeah, that's it. I mean, that's all standard. So it's like, yeah, my was it 53? Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is cool. And I saw it. They did it. The lady like turned it on, and I was like, "Oh, 1348. Thank you." Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. Dude, how's the new Aston? Is it nice?
What was that? The Aston?
How's the new Aston? Is it nice?
Oh, man. I claimed my first soul last night.
Oh, in racing?
Yeah. A Honda Accord of all fucking cars.
Why would they do that? Morons. Okay, here's the deal. In like a year, we're going racing. And I'm going to race you in something.
Well, I'll have the McLaren by then, so step up your game.
Okay, well, you're getting a McLaren too?
Yeah.
Which one? 720?
Yes.
Dude,
yes.
You should. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to stop buying cars.
Why?
For like 6 months.
Dude.
No,
hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Then I want you to get a P1, a Chiron, a LaFerrari, or whatever the other crazy one, something crazy.
Yeah.
That is what I want you to do. Because then you're gonna guarantee that I can never beat you.
Well, my Plaid ass should pretty much destroy everything on the road right now. So
true. Where do you put
Yeah.
all these cars?
Dude, I have a warehouse, man.
Okay, we gotta go. I used to go to this warehouse by me, and I walked in there one time to go look at something, and there was a Koenigsegg in there, and I was like, "That's not supposed to be here."
No, no. So basically, I mean, there's a couple of ways to do it. So the state of Florida, when you have more than 6 cars, right?
Yep.
You need a dealer license.
Really?
Car, yeah. And so, in order to break that, like
Did not have one.
yeah, and not have a dealer license, I would go ahead and put the cars in storage. And so for the most part, I buy the car, I probably drive it for 2 or 3 months, and then I put it away, right?
Gotcha.
Right. So I then put it in storage. I take off registration. I take off insurance. The car's not on the road. You see what?
Smart.
Yeah. And then boom, get another car. That kind of thing. I do have a car addiction. I love cars. Like
Me too.
I'm Jay Leno with skin cancer. That's why I'm so brown. That's it.
Dude.
But
Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. Third card after this. I'm all out of cards. Tim.
we got
Whoa, Aaron, thanks for the super, buddy. That's a big one. Guys, thank you so much. Hey, guys, why don't you make a year subscription for $13.48? Not fishing for a discount. I don't need it. Keep the price the same like AMC. I won't believe it. No. The reason why is because we don't want you guys to get locked in. Like, we don't want you guys to pay and then like, I don't really want it anymore. Then you're locked in. So, like, we want you guys to be able to, like, not have to put all that money up front. Like, because people won't be able to do that. I know some people want it, but we're just going to keep it at the monthly. Why are Ford puts so cheap? Low IV. Low IV. I'm fucking holding these microns. I will race you in a 1,000 horsepower Camaro, says Trey's mustache. Oh yeah, Trey's mustache and I are going Ferrari shopping when we go to look at when I move to Florida. Probably not shopping, but looking. Just like staring. Depending on how 1348 goes.
yes, dude, you got this. You're gonna print. Definitely gonna print. If I own any muscle cars, no. I mean, well, the C8 Corvette. That qualifies as a muscle car, right?
Yeah. I think so. Isn't it electric?
No.
That was a
Dude,
hybrid. Maybe not.
No, not yet. I think Chevy is being careful on making that move, especially with the Vet.
Yeah.
Just because, naturally aspirated. You got the Z06. The Z06 is supposed to be a fucking monster. I'm trying to get my hands on one. Definitely trying to get my hands on one.
Cool.
It's interesting. Fart actually brings up interesting concept. American muscle, like the Dodge CRTs, the Hellcats, even the old school, like Mustangs, et cetera, et cetera. The values are just shooting through the roof. And have you seen the price of a Porsche these days? A GT3 or a GT2, I think, like
expensive.
400,000.
That's never. I would never. I don't really like they just all kind of look too similar. The different models, they just look too similar across the board for me. They're they just all have the same style.
Yeah. Dude, shit. So when are you moving to Florida, bro?
I don't know, man. I might just freaking YOLO it there now. I'm kidding. I do want to though. I just kind of want to out. I'll probably because my lease ends in July. So I'll probably move in July or August, which is like the worst time because it'll be hot as hell, but it'll be fine.
Okay.
My couple of my buddies want to come with me. Then I was like, listen, we can't live in the same apartment because I just yell all day long, but we can be in the same building.
You, sir, would have the ultimate whorehouse.
You can't go to class in Florida. Exactly. Then there's no way anybody could ever tell me to go to class if I was just in Florida.
Oh man. 1348 on AMD. Hey, I'm gonna look at that. Someone's bringing that up.
Yeah, AMD. I mean, it might be to the downside because Micron's coming down.
Yeah.
Nothing on AMD, but it's holding up here, man. Micron's the lagger today out of all the chip makers, which is shitty, man. Micron broke below the 50 SMA. Dude, fucking, I might just take it back soon. Yeah. Fuck. All right, I'll take that one back.
Yeah, the SPY here, it made me really uneasy when the SPY hit 262, and then it came back
Wait,
down
what?
to the 13. Oh, sorry, NVIDIA.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking at NVIDIA. He said 262 SPY? Holy shit.
I was like, hold on. Did I miss a charge point crossing down? Dude, that charge point was looking good for a while, and then it just shark finned, and I had to go. But where's a firm? Oh, cool. Still 177% on the freebie.
Oh, man.
Let's see.
Don't
worry about the heat SME. I heard Congress is passing a bill to make it spring all year long. All right. I guess, dude, have you seen this new bill where they're like, yeah, we're just going to make like daylight savings like the norm? Like it's just all the entire time. And it's like, hold on now. Dude, NVIDIA's just...
I mean, yeah, it doesn't affect me one way or another. I mean...
I feel like I'm inside a lot too. Like I'm inside most of
that explains your pale fucking ankles, bro.
Thanks. It's also winter in Connecticut, Gabe.
Holy shit.
Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We're having fun today. Let's see. Amy's still in the green by 1.5%. Doing good, people.
We should get TMI in here.
We should. He has the link. He has the link.
And we should get options dropping in here one day.
Oh, Tyler? Yeah, we should definitely get Tyler in here.
Yeah.
Noel says STV moved to Hialeah. Is that in Hawaii? Charge point falling.
No, you don't want to move there.
Where's that? Where's that?
In Florida. It's here in Florida. Yeah, I mean, not my favorite place.
Oh, okay.
I'm in Orlando, Florida, guys. So if you see me, don't say fucking hi, please.
We're going to Disney.
Don't say hi. Don't creep up on me. Do not act like a creeper.
Yeah,
I will shoot you, and I have a good attorney. So don't do that. That shit makes me so nervous.
Dude, people come in here sometimes and are like, I'm going to come visit you. And I'm like, do it.
Oh. Oh my God. Yeah. See, I'm booking flight now. No, man, I don't like that. Like, seriously, I've literally had guys that like, you ever seen the Pink Panther?
No. I know what it is. I used to be able to play it on the saxophone.
Okay, yeah. Never mind, man. I forget the generational divide here, bro. Like, I just
we were going through it yesterday too. Like, there's just such a gap between me and the people in the chat sometimes.
Oh man, yeah. There's such a gap.
Uber about to cross down. Uber has been looking at that cross down all day long. Gabe, I live in Orlando and can be your security. I'm pretty sure Gabe's all set on security.
Yeah.
Gabe is security.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Aliens. No, I have not seen Aliens. I've seen Prometheus though. So like that's my generation's Aliens, right? Micron bounced off the 13. Fuck Micron today.
So Prometheus, I love Prometheus. Like I'm a total Aliens nerd.
Come at you now.
Like
the live chat didn't like it. Yes, I think when we were talking about it, they were like, "I hate Prometheus."
No, I fucking love it. Let's see. Gabe has a Cato man servant that lives with him and tries to fight him to the death every time he comes home. Like,
It's trading. Wasn't that in a show or something? Or like a movie where like somebody hired someone like an assistant to just like randomly attack them? Just for like practice. I forget what it was.
oh Lord. No. Don't know. Dude, have you seen the whole entire like Aliens? Like ever? No?
No.
No?
I've seen none of it.
Dude, your childhood must have been fucking depressing, dude. I swear.
This is fine. Oh, Spy Pop. Dude, I want to play. I want a freaking cross. There's just nothing crossing here. It's going to be FOMO City, if anything. SCV isn't cultured. I am. A little bit.
Let's see. Didn't Jesse Smollett do that? Yeah, I think he did.
Okay, that's not what I was talking about. That was not what I was talking about. But yes, similar situation.
Oh my god. Dude, tell me. We all want to know this, right? Favorite childhood cartoon
Yeah.
and I guess like most fond memory of you being a child. Like,
Dude, Tom and Jerry. I loved Tom and Jerry.
okay, who doesn't?
Exactly. It's great.
Tom and Jerry's timeless.
Exactly. I love Tom and Jerry. I could never watch SpongeBob though. That shit hurt my brain. I don't know what it was. I couldn't do it. I watched it like twice and I was like, not for me.
Wait, you ever watch Ren and Stimpy?
No. Was that from the 1800s where you were born?
Dude. Yeah. Ooh. Oh man, nice. I got no comeback. I got no comeback.
Let's see.
Beavis and Butthead.
No, I've heard of it though.
Oh my god,
22 years old.
You know, this is why your generation are just so fucking soft.
Yeah,
you weren't exposed to violent TV. You were not. Just oh my god,
they're all terrible.
Oh man,
we were talking about this yesterday. Like, I can't. People were like, "What do you do for fun?" I'm like, I literally don't want to be at college anymore. I can't do it because they're like, "Do you want to go to the bar?" And I'm like, "No." Like, especially around here, it's like, okay, it's dude. If you saw, it used to be the most fun thing ever. I was like, "This is great. I'm having so much fun." But now it's just like, this is the dumbest shit ever.
Oh,
just around.
Michelle's grandfather did the animation for Tom and Jerry. That's
that is cool.
That is cool as shit.
My right? I have a kind of a thing like that, but it's kind of indirect. But my dad's cousin's husband produced a couple of seasons of Entourage, like the first 3 seasons.
The first 3 seasons?
I think it's the first 3 seasons of Entourage.
Okay.
And then when we go see them, they always have like the new movies on like before they come out, like the director's cut. So we'll just like watch movies like that before they're out.
Got you. Dude, okay. I'm going to get you up to speed, right? Your life will be in perfect balance and harmony after this weekend. Perfect. I want you to go, right? Watch all the Thundercats cartoons from the 1980s. Not that weird shit on Cartoon Network. Like they literally just bastardized it on Cartoon Network.
Okay.
And then you're going to look for another show called Alf.
Okay.
All right. Now Alf is a little alien that runs around in a family's household. He has an affinity for cats. It's really cool show. Right. This is going to make you a well-rounded person, Vix, especially since we're setting you up with, the 30 plus crowd, right? You need to sound cultured. You need to sound like a man of wisdom who knows, about 80s pop culture.
Okay. I guess that's what we got to do.
That's what you got to do, right? Nothing turns a 30-year-old woman on more than you whispering in her ear, "My Little Pony."
All right.
Except it's not little.
Oh my god. Dude, this has been such a fun day so far. We're just literally just sitting here having fun on the stream. Everybody's just printing money, stealing from market makers, and AMC and I think GME are both green right now. Like, what more can we ask for today, people?
It's today's just free day.
Yeah.
You know what today is? You know, it's like that Friday. It's like that, like that payday Friday, and you're just like, "Fuck it, I ain't doing shit today."
Yeah,
You know, you're just sitting up talking to the hot secretary all fucking day. You
exactly.
know, like asking what she's doing later. You know,
Dude,
Try-
when I used to work for my brother in the summer, second summer I actually had to do stuff, but the first summer it was like that like every day. And I would just like not, unless somebody told me directly to do something, I had no job. So I would just sit around just like doing random stuff at work.
oh
I
god.
almost caused a lawsuit by accident, but that was because somebody told me to do something and then I did it. And then the insurance company was like, "What the fuck are you doing?"
Oh, oh wow.
It was funny. It was really funny. They were like, because they needed to know like ages and payout rates for these products all in one spot because they don't list it. So I had to do these like numbers and punch it in. I think it was 1,100 times. And I just like and like change the number, do it, put the number over here, change the thing, get the number, and put it over in this Excel spreadsheet. And I had to do it for like men and women, where I had to do like men, woman, and then joint. And then it was nationwide. And then nationwide calls and it was like, "Hey, we're seeing some unusual activity from this person on your platform. What are you doing?" And they were like, "Oh, we're just trying to figure out like all these payout rates." They're like, "No, you're not supposed to do that." And we were like, "Oh." And then they came and talked to me. They're like, "Why are you doing this?" I'm like, "Well, this dude told me to do it because he wanted to know." And they were like, "Oh shit." They're like, "Well, we're gonna have to figure that out." And I was like, "Well, it wasn't my
Oh.
fault. I was just told to do something and I did it." Richard, have I ever drank
Wait.
water?
So you are okay. Gotta ask you: do you find yourself being easily swayed in life?
No, I probably do my own thing most of the time.
All right. So that was a traumatic experience, right?
Not really. I was just kind of like, it was funny. I was like, they're not gonna fire me. I was like, I'm not getting fired. This is just kind of funny. I was like, oh. And then they just called the people. The moral of the story, though, is Nationwide is not on your side. That's what it is. Have I ever drank water from a garden hose? Yeah, dude. What am I? Like, crazy person? Counselor Murray, thanks for the super, buddy. What's up, fellas? 85% on Riot Call this morning. Premium was legit. Apes not leaving. ALF was funny, but what was the creator snorting? Oh, God. Okay, join the Patreon. There we go, John. Yeah, guys, the link to the Discord's in the top of the chat over here. We're printing over here. Like, the thing is we are going to keep talking about it because everybody's finding so much success with this. So we want you guys in here making money with us. Spy ripping on the 1 minute. Yeah, it does.
Oh man.
I look spicy. Where's a fern?
Dude, what was your worst job growing up?
Caddy. Caddy was by far the worst job. It makes me never, ever, ever, ever want to join a country club.
Holy shit.
Sold Tesla
Okay.
at 130% profit. Yeah. The reason is this is the main reason why I hated it. Every single person that was there thought like it was in like a pretty well off area, and like the people there, like, yeah, they were doing good, but they acted like they were like filthy rich. And I was like, stop acting like an asshole. Like, nobody cares.
There you go.
And
There you
the
go.
way that they would act towards like people, and I was like, yeah, you guys are a bunch of shitheads. Every time I was like, you guys suck. It was every day.
Well, how much was the country club membership annually? You remember?
This is the thing. I almost did it just to piss them off. I almost just joined the junior one because I was just going to get one because the one thing, this is the one story. The guy, my dad is really good at golf. So sometimes people would ask him to go play there so that they could like win. So
Yeah.
the pro knows like who my dad, like he was like, oh, like he used to have like the world record for club head speed. He used to have like the unofficial world record for like long drive with like the old equipment. I think it was like 406, like
Oh shit.
years ago. So the club pro knows who I am and like knows who he is. And the pro would be such an asshole to me. He'd be like, I don't have time, leave me alone, fuck off. But then whenever like I would walk up and he would see like my dad was over there, he'd be like, hey, how you doing? And I was like, fuck you, bro. I was like, go fuck
Wow.
yourself. Like big, like,
Ooh.
but the membership, I think it might have been, it kept going down. I think it was like 20,000, 25,000. Might even be 17 now. I don't know. But the junior one was 7,000. And I was like, this is a
Ooh.
while ago. And I was like, I kind of just want to do this just to roll up there because I would go because like I knew some kids that were there too. And they would like, oh, you want to go play golf? I'd be like, yeah, sure. And then people would come up to me on the driving range and be like, you can't be here. And I'm like, fuck off. Yes, I can. I'm a guest. So I just wanted to do it just for like a couple of days. Like it would be the stupidest thing ever just to be like, leave me alone. Like I can be here if I want to be here. Affirm? Did Affirm just rip?
Okay.
Oh, your mic's on? Alright,
Okay.
you good.
Shable wants me to explain my 700%. Well, that's absolutely an anomaly. So with what the spy did early this morning, I broke all the rules because I did not see, well, the cross happened pre-market. So I was just like, whatever. I really didn't want to watch the market today because I didn't really care. We've done enough quad witchings, STV.
Yeah, yeah.
Today is by far the most exciting, definitely. But I was like, hey, whatever. I'll go ahead and YOLO. And it did 256. Hold on 1 second? I'll tell you where I'm at. Contracts were filthy, but I jumped in on that. And the thing is, I think it ran to 4,000% at one point. I got out early. Yeah,
Dude, that would have been 400 Gs.
I know, but
I don't know. That's big, dude. That is crazy.
it's insane. It's insane. Um, but yeah, we saw contracts run all the way up to 4,000%. So yeah, it was the 257. No, it was the 255s. The 255s currently at 1,300%. So I left a lot on the table.
Yeah, double. That's a lot, dude. That's a good trade. What, you were trading the 257s?
Yeah,
Dude, those are the ones that
255s,
I wanted. Those are the
255s,
ones that I wanted.
255s.
I was looking at those. I had it up on my screen about to buy it, and then I was like, I don't want to put all this money out in calls right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
So I was like, whatever. And you know, like I love Nvidia. I love Nvidia and I love AMD.
I know you do. Me too. I'm
Those are
with
my
you on the AMD, buddy.
you know, Nvidia still has to pay me back a little bit for what it did to me last year.
Yeah, that was rude of that. That was rude of him.
That hurt.
BioLife Hemp, add Living in Color to the list to watch. Homie, don't play that in Fire Marshal Bill. Classics? Ooh, all right. Thank you so much for the super, BioLife. Hey guys, 1348 subscriber. Do you play the call same day expiration? Just lost on Disca. Yes, but I was looking at Disca earlier and nothing was really telling me to get into it. Disca, dude, this is not a chart that you want. Here. Carlo, this is a good lesson right here. When the chart's like this, and you don't really see an aggressive move in the separation of the 13 and the 48, it's probably not going to do a whole lot.
No. Noted. Yeah, it's not.
So you also got to watch yeah, it's a 0 day. It could move, but this is like this just doesn't look appealing. And when you get this cross down, it's barely a cross down, and then it just flips right back up. So you almost can't even consider that a cross. It's like a fake cross because it like kind of crosses down here, finds support at the 200, and then just bounces. my Micron. I've been out of it. I've been out of Micron. I ditched it for a loss. That was my YOLO for the day, and now it's gone. Still have a lot of settled cash though. Still have a lot of settled cash that we can play with. Let's see here. Does Micron look weak, or do you think it will bounce off the 48? I think it'll bounce off the 25 right here, but I don't think it's gonna move a whole lot. AMD and Nvidia are the winners today. BBIG new day high. Usually Shark Fin City over here, so be careful. Like this one right here, Shark Fin. This one, it's coming up now. Again, this is a little bit of a weird 1348 here. It's crossing, and it is separating, but I probably, I don't know.
Look at the VWAP. Put the VWAP on there.
Where is it? Let me look. VWAP.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait. The WAP is just, it's boring. The WAP is boring.
Yeah, it jumped a little on this move, but it's flattening now.
Yeah. Yeah. So, I mean, when in doubt, VWAP her. That's it.
Yeah. When market
can we just call it WAP and have it be like an inside joke?
Yeah. We can.
You guys know what WAP is, right?
Yes. I think everybody knows. Dude, so everybody likes to make jokes that like I kind of sound like Ben Shapiro sometimes.
Okay.
So I do the voice sometimes, and they're trying to get me to sing WAP the other day in the voice. 1348 is printing today. We are all making money. It is quad witching. Fuck the market maker.
Yeah, honestly. Dude, $3.5 trillion? That's
in OpEx?
wild.
Yeah, it's crazy. It is. That's a lot.
That's wild. People in your chat want me to do Beavis and Butthead. They want me to do the Corn Julio impersonation with the shirt over my head.
See, I don't know it. And that would be, I don't know it, so I wouldn't get the reference.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to embarrass myself.
Hold on. Look at this. He's a firm just went to 341%.
Oh.
Affirm! Printing!
Affirm's making
who has those affirms, check them. You're gonna be happy.
Affirm.
Oh, the Neo just went back to 100% too. That's a freebie. Thank you.
Lord. If you haven't, let's see. You would still have screen cap that shit.
Affirm 233%. You're welcome. Just kidding. Neo 150%. How the hell did? Oh, you got it earlier than I did. Up 27% on my portfolio this week using 1348. Thank you guys. That's what we're here for. And I'm happy that you're printing with it. Spy's coming down and Affirm's going nutty. I like this new. So I've switched up the trading a little bit, just a little tweak. I'm trying to buy contracts in blocks of 4 because if it goes up 40%, you can sell 3 of them, guarantee yourself 5% on the trade, and have a free contract. So I was just doing the math on it. For 5 contracts, it's like 35%. For 6, I think it's like 5% increments. And you can leave yourself a free contract to play with and just leave it.
You're going to have to break that down. That number of wizardry shit, that guys, this is why I say STV is probably like the smartest YouTuber out there. Like,
so
seriously.
this is how it's just easy math. So let's just say you buy 4 contracts at 25. You spend $100. It goes up 40%. Now the position is worth $140.
Yes.
Divided by 4, it goes to so now the contracts are worth $35 each.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
You sell 3 of them, you get back up to 105, and you have a free contract. So you make 5% on the initial 100, and you still have another free contract.
Ooh, we would have to do a breakdown on the Discord. I think people will really like that.
Yeah, it's really it's been working really well because you can just let the runners go.
Yeah, absolutely.
GSPC 5-minute MACD. Like I probably wouldn't have held it. Goldman. What the hell is this? GSPC. This is not a real thing. Rip Micron? Yeah, I didn't like it. You like it? Yeah, it's a good one. I just like it. You only have 10 free contracts on a firm. That's crazy. A firm is dirty. This thing, I've traded a lot of a firm recently. A firm and Micron have been the best. Today, Micron, shit. But overall, Micron's been really good to me. Gabe's still trying to wrap his head around buying 4 measly contracts. No, it's blocks of 4. So you can do it in blocks of 4 if you think about it like that. So you could buy a shitload of contracts as long as it's a multiple of 4.
4, yeah.
Or
so
5.
100.
You can do it with 5 too.
You do 100 contracts.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Then you
so
just
it's
multiply
quarter,
by 3.
25, 25, 25.
Right.
The 25 block, yeah.
Right. So you just have to, and then you're just like, all right, multiply by 3, sell that many contracts, and then you're good to go. So you get free contracts. So for every block of 4 you buy and it goes up 40%, you get a free contract. If it goes up 40%.
No, absolutely.
It's perfect.
Absolutely. I'm gonna do that next week. I'll let you know how that goes.
And then you just leave it. I mean, if it goes up a lot, I typically just take it and get the cash back because I mean, 5% on a trade, it's good, but I mean, today it's working out awesome. Like the Affirm is crazy. The Neo is coming back to life. That's up 110%. I also have started doing it where if it looks good, I'll still get the free contract, but I'll sell 3 of it when it's at like 60% or something like that. If it rips, I'll be like, all right, that's what I did on Neo. And then I just sold 3 of them. I was like, okay, cool.
Good shit. Yeah. 40% is much easier than 100%.
Exactly. So you're going to see a lot more trades go to 40% than you are 100%. But if you keep stacking it up and then you get those easy 5% hits, that free contract can go to 0, but you've guaranteed yourself 5% on the trade. What are your Affirms up? Got to be like 240%. 334%.
Man.
GSPC is S&P's. Yeah. Oh, I remember that. That hurts my brain. Daniel, you just gave me fucking flashbacks to this coding assignment I had to do that I just botched. We had to backtest some stuff. You should change it where you capture 10% on the trade and make the contract free. You need it to go up more. You would need it to go up like 50% or something. I can do the math on it, but
yeah. Do the math.
Oh, I got new day highs. Holy shit.
Let me see.
Fuck me, bro. This is craziness. Wait, how are the contracts not moving? Oh, the spread is dirty. Oh, that hurts. $100 spread.
$100 spread on what?
On the $38 strike on a firm. The bid is $197. The ask is $280.
Ooh.
Assholes. I'm going to steal it from them when I go to sell it, though. Guys, also make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. We are printed today. And come on. You guys are printing. Good job. PayPal printing. It was PayPal, Square, and Affirm were the ones I was watching today.
Yeah, today's just a super relaxing day, man. Super relaxing. What you got planned tonight, sir?
I think I'm going to get dinner with my mom and then sleeping. Need to sleep. Oh, I am making a 1348 video though. At this point, at some point this weekend, I am making a 1348 video. Oh, Affirm is. I love it. The bid's gonna catch up and the contract's gonna go. Phoom.
Yeah.
Hasn't done it yet, but it's about to. Somebody's trying to buy 827 of them at 190. Oh, they're stepping it up now. What are you doing tonight? Buying another car?
I haven't made plans yet. It's whoever calls me first. That's a good way to do things. Yeah.
You earned 45% on crypto today using 1348. My AMC position is ripping. Let's go, apes, dude.
Did you celebrate? Wait. Are you Irish? Wait.
I'm not Irish.
But did you celebrate yesterday?
No.
Dude,
the thing is this is why I want to get the fuck out of here. All my friends, like all my boys, were the year above me. So they're all gone. They're all graduated. So I'm just like, fucking, I got my stream people here. So I'm just fucking around all the time.
Yeah. Now, why would cognitive resonance want my number on a live stream? No.
He's trying to ask you about your car's extended warranty. Angela, thanks for becoming a member. Shout out to all the members, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for the support of your of the channel. Angela, welcome. Joe Bolton, thanks to Super Buddy. 4 green days on the spy. Maybe get into XP, SPXX, SQQQ over the weekend. I can only trade stocks. Would the Discord be worth it? More of a swing trader here? Yeah. You can easily use 1348 with swing trading shares. That's kind of what the lower tier is kind of be going to be geared towards. But if you want to join in the premium and then also get access to the private live streams, you can still easily do it with swing trading shares and crypto and the crypto.
Cognitive, you want to DM me out? If you're in the Florida area, I don't mind having a drink or two. I don't really care.
You said the first few calls. That's fair.
Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, I put my number on your live stream, dude.
You did?
No, if I did.
Mine has flashed a couple of times. Not many people caught it, but it has flashed.
Ooh, that's scary, man.
Yeah. It's fine. If I just get random calls, I'll just get a new number.
My phone would blow up.
Yours would. I don't think people really care. They're like, why would I want to contact this kid?
Yeah, no, they would blow up and like leave me like not so friendly messages.
They would either be not so friendly messages or like the most friendly messages of all time. Ooh, the bit.
Yeah, no, not so friendly. I got a little heat yesterday for my GME tweet. Oh well.
Yeah, I saw it. It was just like you said what the institutions are doing. People are just not understanding tweet. They just don't understand things. It's fine.
Let's see. Yeah, it blows my mind how people like legitimately believed I was bald the whole time.
I didn't think you were bald.
Well, you knew me. Well, we met in person.
That's true.
Yeah.
Oh, I kind of wish I held these affirms because I went kind of nicely on it, but I don't know. I'll take 343% on a free contract. Oh, it's ripping, dude.
Yeah. So I think I explained it to you, right? Like the hat is actually a reverse disguise.
What do you mean?
So I wear the hat on all my YouTube videos, right?
So that people don't recognize
when I go in public, you won't recognize me because when I wear the hat, like, dude, it's wild. It's like they're keeping up. Like
I wear a hat. I go incognito a lot in public too, but nobody recognizes. I've never like ever had anybody come up to me and be like, "Oh, yeah," never. I don't think it's gonna happen. Almost one time at the airport when I was coming to visit you guys, I think I was wearing my hoodie and somebody was like, "Oh, short the VIX," and I was like, yeah. They're just like, "You should go long the VIX right now," and I was like, "Fuck, okay, you don't know." Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I get it. I've pissed a lot of people off, so I just never know. I never know. So
it's the people that don't get it. The people that know are going to be the ones that are going to be printing. The people that are still hating on you are going to be the ones that are not.
Yes. Wait. What was the condition for you to show your ankles? Oh, AMC 20?
20.
Oh, man. I know you were worried that today might have been the day.
I don't care. It's fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
You guys get the ankles on the Discord though. No, I'm just kidding. Would you mind looking at Rivian with 1348? Yeah. I'm just kind of staring at a firm right now and it's fun. No cross on this thing. It's bouncing up off the 13 and the 25 MA, but nothing happening here. Spy's bouncing back up here.
Let's see.
No, yes. What? M-Crease, how's Mullen doing? Just mulling around. It's consolidating. It's not bad. Nothing but love for y'all. 1348 printing. Yes, it is. Oh, nice. 378% on a firm.
Dude, a firm has me nervous as hell.
Right now?
So, yeah.
Oops.
This is the thing, right? So we see a firm currently on the 5 minute, and bring up on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So here on the 5 minute, right? So here we go. We have the 13 at 39.98.
Yeah.
So I mean that's a dollar move.
Yeah, it's a big move. I would watch it
That
on this. This is what I would look for. The 1 minute.
okay. So you would watch it on the 1 minute. Cool. For me, like once this thing touches the 13, like what do you got? 1, 2. It'd be the third bounce off the 13. I
Yeah.
think from there you would see a massive sell off. You would just see the sell off.
Yeah, they're gonna sell it off at the end of the day. So if
Yeah.
it crosses the 1 minute 13. Oh,
Yeah. Also, by 2 o'clock.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh, nice. The Neos are up 150% too. It's too easy. That one's free. They gave me that one for free. People were asking one time. They were like, "How do you get free contracts?" I was like, "I got a coupon. I got a coupon to the market maker." AMC is 20 today. I'll get Gabe a gas card to fill the fleet for a year. Oh, Mitch. That's a bold move there.
Yeah. Who the hell is Mr. Finance?
He's either he comes in here and says some things sometimes. Mr. Finance is either having a good time or he's a little bit shilly. He's borderline. Mr. Finance, you know that you are a borderline individual in the chat. I haven't banned you. I don't ban really anybody. I let 600 stay in here. He's like the token shill of the group.
Gotcha.
You have Oxy 58 for today. Thoughts? I traded those yesterday for a big gain, but I didn't hold them. No, I would say no on Oxy. Unless oil makes a random move to the upside, I would say no. Who knows? Oh shit. It's 12:02. Gabe, I'm gonna hop off for lunch, buddy. You can come back on in the afternoon at some point if you want to.
Yeah. I ain't got shit else to do.
All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Again, if you do want to learn the strategy that we're using to print, make sure you guys check out the link to the Discord. It's pinned in the top of the live chat. It's first link in the description too. You guys should at least learn the strategy. We'd love to see you in there with the premium, but learn the strategy, get in there, and then you can hop in with the big boys. So hopefully everybody's just having an awesome time printing. I'll see you guys at 1:15. Make sure you guys go follow Gabe, Review Dork on.
Yeah, I'll go bother TMI, or I'll start my own live stream with some whiskey.
All righty. All right, guys. Hit that like on the way out, and peace.
Peace.